Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine. It's 7 a.m. here in New Zealand. I'm just getting myself organised, hitting the ground running, as they say. We're going to drop into Shavis Lie Day. It's the day where Shavis comes out and tells a whole lot of times when they're going to do something that never eventuates. Just waiting for the meeting to actually begin or to let me in. At the moment, not having too much luck there, but I'm sure we'll be able to get into the room. We've got some interesting stuff coming up. We've got a couple of, I've got a new live coming out on tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the morning about Ryan Connolly. So I do recommend that you go to my YouTube channel and make sure you've going to tune into that meeting. We're going to do a This Is Your Life with Ryan broadcast, which should be pretty cool. Let's see if I can bring that up now. I'm not sure if this will work, but we'll have a go. Push the right button down here, Danny. There we go. Things are working. That's good. So this is my YouTube channel, and if you come down here, you'll see that I've got a live already prepared to go. So that's going to be quite good. And if we flip to my what do you call these things? Website. I've actually set up a blog in anticipation for the live. Now, what this is we've gone and I've done a bit of research on Ryan. And if you have any additional information, please let us know. But it's going to go in 27 hours. But here we've got all Ryan's YouTube channels that he's had since day dot, which is actually day dot for Ryan was 2006. We've got a list of all the different schemes and scams that he has been promoting in his career. And we've got a breakdown of each of the scams that he's been part of. So it should be pretty cool. Let me see if we can get the Zoom meeting going. There must be some sort of hold up. I've got some messages coming in, so I'll just see if I can find those and see what's happening. We've got, oh, look at that. Oh, money coming in already. Thank you very much. Super chats. Do like that. I'll put that on the screen. Look at that. Richard just donated us $2 to help the show go. And we've even got a...
Let's go!
Ooh. Richard's actually said that in the chat room, and I've got a button for Richard. Isn't that awesome? Thank you very much, Richard. You're absolutely awesome. And I've got a bumblebee in my headphone, which I'm not very happy about. Good morning, Admiral. Hello to you too, Susie. It's nice to see you. What's happening to the meeting here? I haven't had a chance. I actually literally woke up at 5 minutes to 7 and got ready and broadcasted about 1 minute past 7. But see, there's no meeting here at the moment, so I'm just going to be opening up the meetings. But hey, back to Ryan. If we do have any information on Ryan, where you've had any dealings, what I've actually asked him to do is to read this blog. Wait for the sound to kick in. Hello. Yep. I've asked him to read this blog and ask me if any of the information isn't correct. And then what we've asked him to do is to provide us a video reply in response to the allegations that he's been promoting all these scams and the like. So if you haven't been watching, not Richard, Richard's a good guy, but this is all the videos that he's been publishing out or pumping out lately, and they're quite aggressive. So I've asked them to provide us a right to reply, as they call it, response in one of these videos. So hopefully we'll get something to, and I said I'd play it on the day. So we'll see what happens on that one. But in the meantime, that's what's happening. All right, so let me have a look and see what's happening in the chat room here. Doesn't seem like there may be is there no meeting today? It is, if I have got the right day. What am I missing here? Maybe I haven't got a good enough name. Maybe they're watching me like they normally do. We are going to have a look at this. We'll see if we can get into the meeting. And then we'll also go and use Zoom. We'll just connect using a few other names and see what happens. Let's see. That one there. Oh, that's a new one that I haven't used. A couple of other names. Oh, I love it when I get new. Thank you very much for that. That's yummy. So if you do want to help us with information, go to my website, click on the Contact Us, go to Bookmarks, and we will see what's happening. Are they running the meeting late today? Any explanation on anyone? Let's see what we've got. Read the chat. Admiral, you're missing an hour because of the time change. That's so funny. So, do I have to get up an hour earlier, or is it going to start later? Just the wrong time. It's not for an hour. Oh, what a scream. Well, that's funny. That is funny. You got to laugh, you got to cry. I'll just go live on Instagram. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Instagram followers. How are you doing? Nice to see you here. Nice to see you. Nice, as Ralph Harris used to say. Just press live on my Instagram followers. So, and we'll be telling everyone a whole lot of stories. Now I've got to come up with a show on the fly. Well, that's going to be exciting, isn't it? Let's get rid of that for now. Let's get rid of that. Yes, but please do go to this link. I'll put it in the chat room. Daylight saving my ass. That's just so funny. That is funny. All right, so what can we do? All right, there's a couple of things we could do, but I think we can actually now go and gate crash a few rooms now we know that. If you want to provide us links to Zoom meetings, this is the page to do so. It's on my website. It's called my bookmark page. Trades. Okay, let's have a look at trades. I've gotten requests coming in. And you can supply us links. So literally, you can come down here and find Ponzi schemes and scams. Oh, there is one thing I do want to have a look at while we're here. Let's have a look at blockchain Dexter. Now, are you familiar with GetFit? Their token landed on the market at $102, and they are falling. They are falling from the skies because everyone's selling, trying to get their money out. So Lynn reckons. But this is now $17.90. We remember watching Apollo, which is the people that tried suing me in the New Zealand High Court for $3.8 million. They had a token, and we watched that crash and burn right down to 0.0000000 nothing. Now here's Lynn's token. It's gone from $102 to $17.90 in days. So absolutely incredible. So if you haven't checked that out, well worthwhile doing. It's a bit of a laugh. So that's in the last week. But if you look in the last 4 hours, there's only one direction it's going. Oh, there's a bit of green there, but mostly red. It's going downtown. Absolutely incredible. So do check that out. Now, what have we got in the chat room there? We've got, oh, now I need to open up. So this is what I need to do when I need to click on the links. What a shame I can't do that. Let's have a look, and we're going to have a look at that one there, are we? All right, so let's see if I can do that. So I need to open up my own chat room. So I go here. Bob, Joe, we're in my own live. We'll hear double voices here for a second. Don't worry, it will only be me. Click on the links. Oh, what a shame I can't do that. Let's have a look. We're going to have a look at that one there, are we? All right. And we want to have a look at this. All right. I've got a chat room open. It's handy. What do we...
Well, you know how to say it going in the movies?
No way.
Those space movies out of the United States, when they say Houston, we have a problem. But Trash Tech people, you got a problem. And I don't know if it's going to be a situation that's going to last when it's supposedly when the website comes back live in less than 4 hours or over 3 hours. But here's the issue that you're having. When you come here, you're able to see that there are 2 wallet addresses that are being used for deposits in Trash Tech. When you come to these wallets and you take a look, there is no balance. This is the main wallet that I just showed a few days ago. And then you come to the secondary wallet. There's pretty much nothing here as well. You just had millions of dollars in these wallets. Yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Now it's down to nothing.
Wow.
Houston, we have a problem.
That is
And
brilliant.
this right can be an alarming issue for many of you.
Ah, that is so cool. So I'm just going to go back to the start of that and have a look at that
How to
address.
say it going in the movies?
Houston, we have a problem. Right, tradetech.com. Bomb. Oh my God. So their website is dead. Oh my goodness. If you haven't been following Trades Technologies, that is absolutely amazing. So Trades Technology got the cease and desist order. And in here, it was 18 pages telling people that the Texas Security Board, is saying that they can't promote this. It's an illegal activity, naming all the people they could that were involved in it, and it's an emergency cease and desist. So what was their message to the nations for that? Well, they just said it's business as normal, but we're not going to promote Texas. We're going to promote it all in the other 49 states of America instead. So it was absolutely ridiculous. So in here, you'll see that we've had people like, oops, sorry, I'm warning. Sorry. We've had people like the blasphemous Den, which I've called her. She's been promoting trades like there's no tomorrow, and everyone's been promoting trades, and we've even got Joseph Tran, who reckons he's not going to do any more Zoom meetings anymore because of me. But it's nothing wrong with the company, and he was making $450 a day. So Trades Technologies falling on its face is just ridiculous. So let's just have a wee look and see if there's any Trades Technology meetings going on, because I'm bound to find them in a minute. I'll just see if I've got a couple of those that we can bring up first. Freedom. Well, first of all, let's go to Honda's room. Hello, Scully. Scully keeps missing my live, so I have to send her a personal message in the morning. Let's just see if I can get this. Freedom. So we want to go freedom. Freedom is the password, and let's see if Mars Honda has her meeting going. So that's another Ponzi scheme fallen over. And wonder where else we got? We've got Ride. All right, so I'm going to do this dreaded thing that everyone hates me doing, but let's go to the Zoom. First thing we're going to do is we'll log into all the rooms that need passwords. That's 12 rooms. And we'll have a bit of quick crackle crop, as they say. Just get rid of some of this stuff here. Oh, that's so awesome. We found Joseph Tran promoting a brand new scheme. Oh my goodness, these guys just don't give it up, do they? Oh, well, we have to ring him up, won't we? Where's my phone? That's what I reckon. Let's ring up Joseph and see why he's promoting a brand new scheme. Josie, got it all sus there. Why is my phone at 2%? That's a bit of a worry. Right, charging at 2%. So where's Joseph? Let's see if we can get him on the phone, eh? Joseph. He's on iPhone, so we can actually literally get him. Wonder if we can use FaceTime on this, because that would be a laugh, wouldn't it? Because then I could bring it up and show you Joseph. So Joseph's already promoting another scheme, and he said to us he wasn't going to promote anything. Isn't that just ridiculous? New Joseph Tran, there he is. I'm just going to see if we can actually call him on this. And invite on messages. Oh no, he doesn't have it. Oh, well, that's a waste of time. Let's just go back to Joseph on messages. Oh, lots of messages coming in today. Oh, isn't that exciting? So there's another one falling over. Isn't that just incredible? Let's see if we can get Joseph. We'll bring him up. See if he wants to answer and talk to the man about. And what's he promoting now? Have we got anything on about? Bigfoot. You're kidding me. Have you got a website address on that one yet? Right, so we'll just get connected into these meetings. Oh, look, I'm sorry. Those. So that's a bit of a cracker. Wonder why Joseph doesn't want to answer me. Any ideas, anyone? Is I wake up and my Avengers tell me that Trade Technologies website's down. Don't worry, this is ridiculous, isn't it? Okay, you've got another one to share with me. I'll bring that up in a sec, Suze. I'll just get these ones humming in the background. I'll get rid of me. And also, one thing I will do is I will put in the chat room, hey, Well, you know who I mean. My buddy YouTuber. That is such good news about Trades Technologies. What a cracker. I just can't believe that. Oh, oh no, that's amazing. All right, let's go chat room. Oh my goodness, you should see the screens I've got in front of me at the moment. I can put that down. Let's have a look at this one. See if we can get that going. Um,
Anna,
oh, I just heard a noise. Where did that noise come from? Somebody's Zoom must be open.
Anna. From that moment, it doesn't matter if the trader trades with 10,000, 5,000, or 500. My wallet will execute every single trade with 0.1 Solana, meaning $15. So the full control is on your side on how you want to split your money, and you have never to be scared to lose like all of your money in one trade, because you can individually sectionalize how much you want to put into. And I think the most interesting part about this whole project is that all the users that use the sniper bot never ever give their money out of their hands to some company to work with the money. But the money that's on the wallet, the user has 100% control, meaning you can every single second withdraw everything, all capital of your wallet. Every single second you can withdraw the profit, and even you have the availability in an active copy trade. Let's say the copy trader wants to.
How do I feel about Trades Technologies? Another one hits the dust. Boom! That's how I feel about Trades Technologies. And how can we sit here and not be happy? I mean, people who have invested in these things are greedy. They know it's a scam. They know it's too good to be true, but they put their money in there anyway because they thought they knew better. So how does the crypto Ponzi scheme Avenger feel about Trades Technologies being offline? Because they will be now coming up with an exit strategy telling everyone that they're going to get back soon. And then they'll relaunch under a different brand, and it'll be all the same people, and it'll be rinse and repeat. And they'll have people also investing again who have lost all their money right now. And that's the truth of it. Look at Joseph Tran sitting here telling me he's not going to be on any more Zoom meetings. This is what he told me 4 days ago. I've got an email from him telling me he's not going to be in any more Zoom meetings. And what is he? He's in Zoom meetings promoting a new opportunity, starting over. He was making $450 a day. We even got his wallet with K-Coin frozen for 7 days, and he couldn't get his money out for a little while, but then he managed to get his money out somehow. So it's absolutely ridiculous, really. So it's bloody fantastic, to be short. Now, there's other messages coming in here. A voice call chat. All right, we can bring that up. I think we can do that. I can bring that up on the phone, Richard. So how do I feel about that? Bloody fantastic. And that should be Richard in there, I'm guessing. It is Crypto Dynamo. How do you feel about that, mate? How do you feel about Trades Technology falling over?
I was calling to agree with you, man. Tell the whole world, tell YouTube that they're greedy, right?
Yep.
And it's just like a casino. It's just like the card tables. They don't have to stack the deck. They know that the cards, the dealer, the house is always going to win. It's always in favor of the house.
Yep.
So they know, like you said it 1,000 times, when they're basic and they use their downline so they can get a profit on being involved with all these platforms. It's a rinse and repeat all day long. And that's what the whole world needs to get behind us to do, is follow these rat bastards, track them to the next one, and the next one, and we just blow them all away like pot shots.
Mate, you're right in the money, man. And if you haven't been keeping up current events, ladies and gentlemen, I'm off to a conference, and I'm going to meet 150 delegates from all over the world that are going to be, who are helping me fight these who are fighting these scammers, and we're learning more about them, and we're sharing our experience and our knowledge and skills. So if I went to this link here, this is the conference that I'm going to in 2 weeks' time, and it's the Global Financial Summit, Crimes Summit, and the delegates that are going, I'm going, so there's some clout straight away. You can sponsor it. It's It's absolutely brilliant. And the guy that invited me was the head honcho, the guy here, Ken Gamble. He's an Australian guy. We've got the Cambodian National Police going. We've got the Australian, we've got ASIC going. Come on, guys. This is brilliant stuff. I've got people here that I've already been corresponding with in these pictures that I know. And this is what I fight for. And this is what I'm looking forward to. So I'm going to, what I'm going to tell these guys is that we are a private organization that has a massive database of all these criminals. We already have 2 government agencies access our information on a daily basis who are going through looking at these people. I mean, yesterday we got a tip off about this guy. This tip off came from the IRS. They asked me if I had any information on this guy. So I go out there and I start researching Blue Ocean Society. Blue Ocean Society have lost, get this, $175 million in a crypto address. And now claiming that, now I hear that they've been doing Ponzi scheme investment opportunities for people within their company. And we've only started just going on about it. And then we've reached out to another YouTuber who's been publishing for the IRS.
So we blow up whatever we want and don't want, we get more of. Unlimited funding. Whatever we need to do it way more because the proper authorities are not asking for enough, and they're not going after these people.
Well, we've cracked the enigma, mate.
Yeah, if we freaking break the mold continuously over and over and over and over, they have no choice but to follow through.
Yep. And the truth of the matter, mate, is they're not allowed to ask us for information like they do, but they've got a cunning doing it. And
that's it.
And the brilliance is we ask for hints. We find the information and then we give them full access to our findings. And that's how we roll. So we don't and that that's just, how do you say it in French? It's fucking brilliant. So they said, "Oh, we can't ask you for information." I said, "Well, here's our database. Help yourselves." And then we just need to follow the newspapers. We need to watch these, like for Jan Gregory, for example. We got a government organisation asking us for his home address because they're looking for him. The very next week, we got that warning out from the state of California about bid harvest, another one that seems to have fallen over. Website still going. And we managed to find, the Avengers managed to find where he was. He wasn't in America. He's in Kuala Lumpur, standing in front of some Rolls Royce in front of Honda, a Honda dealership. We tracked the Honda dealership, found exactly where he is. And since then, he's been nowhere to be seen. So it's just absolutely ridiculous. Oh, mate, no, it's brilliant. All right, so what we've got, I'm going to tune into these meetings, but in the go back to listen. Look at him, look at his pose, man. He's in sleep mode. He's just lost $450 a day. Oh, it's Joseph Tran. He's got his elbow on his hand. He's holding his chin in his hand, and he looks tired because he's just lost $450 a day. And now he's going to start promoting another scheme. So let's have we listen. 28 people in the meeting, and we managed to get a recording. Friggin' brilliant. Thanks, guys. You guys rock. That has just made my day, mate. This is friggin' hilarious.
To hold till 200%, and you say, okay, 120% is enough for me. Then you can also manually close the trade and withdraw the profits.
The Zoom meetings in the background.
So that's also about the 100% transferability for the user itself. But now, okay, how does it look like in the end when I put in the setting and I put in the copy trade? Everything from Drea is completely automatic, meaning you just get the notification when a transaction is being detected. As for example, here, the trader bought for 5 Solana.
This is the first Bob commentary.
My wallet also then exexecutes the trade, copied with 0.1 Solana. A little bit later, he sold for 35%. Next thing, he bought for 0.1 Solana, again, LARP, and sold for 41%. And the best thing here is that we also wanted to automate the whole marketing process. Because even with I'm a technical guy, and for me, it's interesting how we can front run the others and outperform everybody.
Bob,
I think for the masses out there, what's important is how much money can I earn?
I couldn't figure out where the sound's coming from. I'll pause it. So Bob's...
No, it's coming from mine.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we're live, brother. Yeah, chat where they can talk and be in the show. and Bob's come in there going, "Is this live?" And I'm thinking it's coming from the sneaky recording he's got, but it's not. How you going, Bob? No. Oh my God, it's gonna be good. I love
This
it.
meeting is being
Oh,
recorded.
we've got one live. We've got a live one coming in somewhere here, guys. I'll just have a wee look and see what it is. Yeah, but no, it just gets better and better. We're actually, I think, for a small organisation, we really are a bane in their promotion careers. I mean, it's just you can't make this shit up for a start. But no, you've done well. You've exceeded yourself there, Bob.
Oh no, now we're all in trouble.
Oh,
This meeting is being recorded.
Oh, hold it. No, this is a meeting. We've got a live one, guys. We're going to go into this one. We'll go back to Bob's recording. We need live Bob. We've got Mr. Hershaw. Mr. Hershaw, after listening to Lynette's talk the other day, buggered. To see what he says.
From here.
Question: how does it calculate those shares?
Okay. Go to
Calculate these shares.
click the back arrow on the top left. Click on doc in the bottom right.
What have we got? We go side by side, isn't it?
Okay. These are your miners.
So this
You
is
have
going to fall
5
over
alpha
very
miners
soon.
in your account.
I'll make
I'm seeing that because all alphas start with the number 3. If you look above that row, you'll see where it says total doc max shares. 4.7 million. 4.703 million
well, let's
shares.
shut down his chat room,
is the capacity.
Has he had a shave? Oh no, he doesn't have a beard.
That your 5 miners will allow you to earn on a daily basis.
Just gonna.
I'll go join.
We're gonna keep you out
in a minute.
if you this much.
It's a mic open
How do you
until.
mix it up?
I think the mic's
Click
open.
the back arrow on the top left.
Okay, it's going to be in the chat room. The
Scroll to the bottom of the page.
Does anyone else want to go in there?
So you know the 5 categories.
We're going to cause some havoc
top
there.
down.
It's in the chat room.
I'm just going to call them steps, calories, distance, workouts, and
And
sleep.
I just got to find a name.
So
how many has he got in here?
each one of these 5 categories
monitoring
has
the room.
a maximum. Steps 1,000,
Smarter
calories
than money.
2,000, distance 10 miles, workouts up to 2 hours, and sleep up to
Smarter
8
than
hours.
money. Come on. Where are
So
we?
to get to that 4.703 million
we go into these
shares
rooms
for the
and
day,
we grab usernames.
you
So
would
when we
need
go
to
back into these
have
rooms, we can go in as
20,000 steps
one of
for
them,
the day,
and then they don't know who's
and
a
those
friend or a
20,000 steps the
Move
steps
quest.
up
Here it
top
is.
to truly max it out.
All right.
You get 20,000 steps
Now I just
in
need my
tier
chat
4.
room.
Highest category. Now you still get credit for the
All right, here we go.
category to max it out.
This meeting is
Those
being
20,000
recorded.
would be in tier 4. All right.
No, they didn't do it like this.
Calories.
The key.
2,000 calories.
Bookmarks.
Now, out of those 4,703 that you max out at,
All right, where's my chat room?
steps up 30% of that 4.7 million. So think about that. 30% of that 4.7 million is whether you
Oh, it's a bit
maxed
crackly,
out
sorry guys, but that's
your
what happens on the big jobs.
calories, which is the next category, 5% of what you're able to earn on a daily basis. If you
Whoa, crackle pop. Crackle pop.
clearly
You pay extra for a crackling broadcast, guys.
Then top the screen. And then on distance, to max it out is 10 miles. We did 7.59 miles, which is 75% of 30% that distance you acquire on a daily basis. So 10 miles.
Okay, we've got 6 people tuned up. I wonder where that will come from.
Of the 4.7 million shares you're able to get every day. A workout.
10 miles. So 10% or
30% of what you're able to get on a daily basis. So even though you may have tracked that workout, you didn't track it from a source in this example that allows you to pull it in along with your steps. or
Why
what
can't
have
we
you.
just
So
go get mice and have them run a
that
wheel?
I got
makes
you.
Why does it have to
30%
involve
dollars
us?
left on the
Hey, well,
table.
that's a good idea,
And
Richard.
then sleep
Because they don't make fitness
represent
watches that small, mate. That's the problem.
5%. So when you
Everything's a shell game, man.
add
Why?
it
Why are
up, collectively,
people
that's
having to be involved?
100% of what's
Yeah.
available to you of the 4.7 million
Right. So now
shares.
I want.
It's a
So
circus.
go back to earnings.
All right.
So
Who knew
on
they had
that
a
day,
casino at the circus?
we did
Right, here we go. We're going to destroy their chat room if we can.
75% on steps.
Okay, chat room open.
75% of what we could have got on
How
distance.
many-
100% on calories. And then this
Hey.
example, 0%.
How many?
So
I
that's
think
30%
he's pretty
left
good on the
table for
old
workouts.
room.
And then we
How many do you
left
think I'm going to get in there before we get
what?
kicked out?
80% asleep on the table.
7.
So
Yeah,
that's
I reckon
how
10 will be
you
lucky.
determine. And then if you look down at the bottom,
15.
you had a total
Right, here we go.
of
Just make sure I've got the right
and just in
copy.
that section,
Well, here we
right
go.
before submit, if
Uh-huh.
you see we had 2,626,333.
5, 6,
That's
7,
actually
8,
available
9,
over there.
10.
Right?
10. 10. I got 10.
That is
Yeah.
what we're looking at.
Next time,
So
tell them
moving
before you
forward
start.
to make
Before you
sure
start,
that you're
Tell them I
tracking
got a guy that'll give you
everything
20 bucks
from that
if you
space.
stop
That's all.
scamming.
Yeah. Look at him.
Question really quick. So if you
Turn the
switch
camera
data,
on.
will it change if you already
That's
submitted?
everyone. That's everyone, isn't it?
The data will change, but you
I'm turning
can't
my camera
change
on.
what you submitted.
Cannot
yes.
start here.
Everyone's centrist.
That is correct.
Everyone's centrist. I know her name.
That is
You know everyone.
correct.
Oh, I got a question. Sometimes when we're calculating the miles, like you see how it says 7 point whatever miles and 16,000 steps, that doesn't equal out if every let's say 2,000 miles,
Oh, I got
2,000 steps
Calculator there.
equals a mile. Why do sometimes it's off? Why doesn't equal the same amount of steps,
Why is it not
20,000 for the same amount of miles, as far as if you're walking and things of that nature?
Well, the difference here is the GPS and the tracking in the apps themselves.
He's right clicking.
I don't know how they're calibrated and what they, how they determine that. But you get it. And it also the numbers. My steps may be 6 inches longer than yours.
Ooh.
You see what I'm saying? So over the course of the day, you're calculating steps, but what do they represent? And the GPS is able, and the sensors and all that kind of stuff in your device are able to, determine what that actually is. So I don't know how to quantify that for you or whatever. I just say the app know more than I do when it comes to that.
Okay, so like when I'm in the house, it doesn't calculate like when I'm outside. So should I turn the GPS off or on, or how do you do that?
No. You don't have to change anything. Just know that when you're in the house,
it's noisy in here today.
Versus when you go outside and go walking.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
You walking from
like
the living room
days.
to the kitchen, your steps are going to be shorter.
If you
than
go
your
from
steps
the
when you're out on a
kitchen,
pace walk.
from the
So
bathroom,
you're going to be covering more distance
and your
with
rewards
less
are
steps
going to be
outside.
shorter.
But you may get more steps when you're walking around the house. However, you're not covering as much necessarily
You're not
covering
covering
as much
just from
distance at those times.
Okay. Understood. When I was trying to do it last night, I was going back and forth and trying to have it where it steps. It just never calculated steps at all, as if I never walked. It stayed at 0. So it's just something to deal with the GPS in the house. It's kind of what I'm gathering.
Yeah.
Most of the time, and I don't know, did you look to see if it actually caught up?
You can't get GPS.
No, yeah, it
in the
didn't
house?
catch up. It
It
did.
didn't catch up.
I refreshed all of that good stuff. I went in, went back out, stopped the workout, and no steps ever came about.
Oh.
Okay.
I know
So
why. I know why. Because you're wearing
personally,
too
I would
much
recommend
clothes.
just focusing. If you don't have a band, I would focus on just leaving it with Google Fit.
Buy the.
And then now
It's a very
we can
noisy
kind
show
of narrow
today, but
down
enjoying it. Hope everyone else is.
anything that may not be,
It's a
you know what I'm
great day
saying,
for the Avengers.
calculating or tallying properly. We can hone in on the culprit, so to speak.
Okay. All
or
right.
whatever.
Thank
So
you.
leave it where it's at and work from there. And make sure you get your workout in every day.
Shout
from
out to the
Google
guy
Fit.
who I just assembled the
Okay.
whole program.
My
for.
last question. How
Sure.
much does it cost to submit, or how do you find out how much it's going to cost me to
You
submit?
gotta calculate till you fall
Right
asleep.
now,
see?
just about on average,
Use your
right now,
toes and
we're
count up
looking
past
at in the
10.
neighborhood of about 62 cents per miner per day is about where it is. So for you on your account, somewhere between $3 and $3.20, somewhere
Okay.
in that somewhere in that
Calculate it
ballpark.
till you calculate it like
That will
me.
be changing here over the course of the next week, I would say, once the new app
Oops,
is
somebody fell off.
released.
We lost
And
Bob.
then it would be tiered based on the level of miners that you actually have, what have you. So
Admiral,
that
put the
particular function
USDT
has
in the
not
chat.
been implemented yet until the new
What
app,
happened again?
simply because spending the
Put the
time with
MoveQuest
the
link in the
programmers
chat.
doing that on the
We
existing
can
app
check out
was taken
the
away
price.
from time that they could
Oh,
be
yes,
putting
right.
toward getting the
Funny,
app
I'm looking
complete
at that right now.
or what have you. So that's been the focus.
Okay,
So
so if you
we
are a
should
Get
across the board
Fit
see
mining advocate,
that be reduced.
then check out the
for the
price of their
lower,
token that's plummeting. It's actually like
miners.
jumping off a cliff.
Well,
It's
it'll be
just
on a
going to the
scale,
bottom,
so to
and there's no
speak.
way of stopping it.
For you right now,
this
about
Lynn's
62,
app?
63
Yes,
cents a day,
darling
somewhere in
Lynn.
that ballpark.
Hey, we should like. I was going to ring up Lynn.
Per miner.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You're
Okay.
welcome.
boys.
Thank you.
All right.
Richard, you got it, mate. Woo. Oh, let's now we can start up a new. I'm just setting up a new profile for Bitfoot. There we go. Look at him. He's all pimped out
Okay,
today.
go right ahead.
Come back to the show because you're a scammer.
Yeah, she won't come back, mate. She doesn't love me anymore.
Thank you, sir.
But
Yes,
here we
sir.
go.
What can we do for you today, sir?
The
You're a black.
same thing where we were trying to import. I started the sleep, and so we have about 25 minutes sleep data. If we can pull it
I
in,
want to get this guy.
Okay.
6 days.
Can't tell if he's
Yeah,
Indian
we
or
set it to
African.
auto back in the
Are
day.
these guys
So
not
we said
watching
see for 6 days.
what these tokens are worth?
Okay.
This has turned into
It is
a
not imported
smart
in.
step, isn't it?
Okay. Can you go ahead and share your screen for me?
It feels like smart step.
Yeah, it's just rebranded. Miranda
Okay.
must be pissing herself laughing that she didn't get involved in this one.
Go to Get Fit. Let's go
Hello,
to Get
Miss
Fit.
Carr, M. Carr. Lovely to see you here. Love to see you here. Nice to see you here. Nice, as they say.
Yeah, go to the Get Fit mining app itself. Yeah, there we go. Keep going.
Let it
There we go. You
calculate.
just passed.
Let it.
You just you gotta go there and have a looky. You know, you can't just sit there and be
To the
passive.
right. One more. Right there.
Right
Tap
there.
on that.
Put it there, lady. Put it right there.
Oh, that's sleep. Go to Get Fit Mining.
Go Get Fit mining.
Right.
And come over here and sit
Not that
next
one.
to me and let me
Swipe
tell you
out
all
of that.
about how
That's
good
Health
this little
Connect.
project's going to
We
be
want to
for
come out of
you.
that. We want to go to Get
Your,
Fit Mining.
Keep calculating to yourself.
Yes,
Right.
this is going to be good for your
There you go, right there.
generational
Let's-
wealth. Do you have
let's
any
Google
children?
Fit.
Because that does not matter.
Let's go to Get Fit Mining.
Get Fit mining.
Oh,
You get,
okay.
you get children if you
Sorry,
get
sir.
fit.
Right there.
Oh, we're
Click on
shocking.
the back arrow in the top left.
Yeah. Oh, this is great. I'm just got Bigfoot set
Right.
up. The fastest
You know why I
trading
like this one?
platform is coming.
Why I like this one, Danny?
Why is that,
so no
Richard?
sleep here.
Tell
Go
us,
to
Richard.
settings at the
We
bottom.
need to go all in because this guy's American. This is the
Click
first
on
American
settings in the
one.
bottom in the middle. Scroll up.
We got to scan the scammer, these rat bastards.
Yeah, I want his phone number. If anyone
There we
knows
go.
Herschel's
At
phone
the bottom
numbers
where it says data
or any
source for sleep,
details, please do let us know
switch it from
because we'd
Fit
love to
to
actually
Urban
nail
Droid
this guy.
Sleep.
He's,
Change the
Mail
source
him
at the bottom. Yep.
1,000 pizzas.
yeah, with crypto to pay for it.
Giving me a challenge?
Click the back arrow in the top left.
You find him and you'll get pizza? Well, that's a no-brainer.
I don't want pizza.
Oh, yeah, you want the crypto. But you can use your crypto.
Free.
You can use the crypto to
Okay. Click on earnings.
to make the pizzas. You can buy the pizzas with the crypto because I've done it before.
So it hasn't been coming in.
Yeah, that's a
okay,
good
so
thing.
let's go back to Sleep is Android now. The Sleep is Android app itself.
Sleep is Android.
There we go.
Now
Just
I
passed
want
it.
to
Keep going.
get other rooms ready.
Right there. All
Do we
right,
want to stay
click
here?
on
What's the
the
time? We've got
settings
15 minutes until we
icon
hear
in the top right corner.
the announcement. I woke up out of bed.
Shall I stop? It is still doing the
Yeah,
sleep.
you can. You
It's still
stop
doing
it.
the
You can
thing
stop it
stuff.
now.
It's really strange. Okay, I'm moving this window over to another window.
Stop and save.
So
It's
Now
controlled
click
by
on
the smart
services.
contracts, you see. And that's the funny
Scroll
thing.
up.
So if everything's controlled by the smart
Okay,
contracts,
both of those. Click on sync now at the
then
bottom.
they don't have any
Sync
control
now.
over it, theoretically. So they're just along for the ride.
All right,
That's
back
what I get
arrow,
out of
top
that,
left.
yeah,
which is a bit of a hard shot.
but hang on. Let me ask something or
No,
Click on
you've
sleep
used up all your
tracking.
questions for today, Richard.
Okay, automatic sleep
Can you come back
tracking,
next
all of
Saturday?
that's there.
Hold it. We're switching
Tap on
meeting,
automatic
guys.
sleep tracking. Yeah,
Hold
'cause
it.
I can remember
This is
we did this.
we are leaving this meeting. We've got a
Whenever-
better meeting than this one happening
everything
right
looks
now.
like it's supposed
Leaving
to. Back
leaving
out.
audio. We've got a surprise for everybody. A surprise. Are you?
The
Yeah.
mining process.
Not quite. Actually,
Step
but
1, activating Bit Booster.
oh,
When a
step
Bit
one.
Harvest miner purchases the Bitcoin mining
Booster.
booster AI70 Pro,
This is
or
popcorn.
Bit
This is
Booster,
popcorn
and
day.
connects to our
This is
partner
working
mining
out really good for
farms.
us today.
Activating the
popcorn.
BitHash protocol,
Yeah.
it begins to accelerate
Is
mining
it bad?
efficiency dramatically.
No, his
does
exit
Bit
strategy
Booster
of
work?
a hernia operation might have been
Firstly,
all
hash
bogus.
aggregation and filtering.
Oh,
This process aggregates hashes
yeah.
from various machines and
Yeah,
filters
Now-
out false
Did you get a
hashes,
hernia
eliminating
But Andy's
redundancy.
there.
It
Yeah.
is like a
So
server
now we
room where
need to,
big data is analyzed for
I
precision.
need to go into this room. All right,
Secondly,
guys.
hash strategy
Bob,
optimization.
where's Bob?
This strategy has
Bob,
aggregated hashes
we
to
need
solve
you.
the SHA-256 algorithm more effectively.
Okay,
Unlike
Bob.
traditional
Here's the
methods
address.
of random hash computations, BitHash protocol optimizes
It's
the
a free
sequence
room ID.
clockwise, anti-clock, or patterned.
All
It's a
right.
shift from adding ones to make 10 to adding 3s and a 1.
Right. So now I need another
Step
browser.
2, increased mining efficiency. The Bitcoin mining booster, each unit can aggregate about 70 TH per second,
Hey,
offering
Richard,
tailored
good
solutions.
mining.
don't knock it. They're amazing.
Get
BitBooster
some
miners.
money and we can
As
burn it.
efficiency soars,
Yeah.
BitBooster miners reap the benefits.
Right,
The
Bob, get in
increased
there.
Bitcoin
Cause some
rewards
havoc.
between 100% and 300%.
Anyone else want to
is
go in there and
directly
just
passed
wait
on
until
to our Bitcoin
I
miners.
get in there first? Because I've got to go in there and kill the chat
BitHarvest,
room.
revolutionizing Bitcoin mining, enhancing efficiency, maximizing return.
Jan Gregory, here we go.
Okay, so in return, we're paid a proportion of the increased productivity of
In return,
Bitcoin
we're paid a
every
proportion of
day.
the increase.
I'm not going to go into this example of
I'm not going to go through this
improved
example anymore because
productivity.
you've heard it thousands of times before, and it's very similar to all the other
Just the
scams
point
that I've been told to
basically
promote.
that for the amount of money it costs to buy and run
These
10 or
people
12
need to be locked
bit
up in
boosters.
an elderly
So
home.
although each booster makes less than one mining rig, the aggregate of your 10 or 15
This is elder
boosters,
abuse.
10 or 12 boosters, means that you're making a lot more money.
You make a lot more money, but
if
you
you
won't be able to
own
get it off the platform.
one
But that's
mining
not
rig.
important right now.
Okay, so it's that's what this slide's about. I'm not going to go into it in any detail.
He hesitated when I went in there with that name, so I don't think he's
Now,
going to
the
let me in.
security of all of this, because people often say, well, what
I'm
about
being,
the security?
all right,
Well,
I'm
the
gonna be
company is
racist,
rock solid.
sexist,
I'm
whatever
really
you want
happy
to call
about
it.
that. The boosters
If
are
you're
tremendous.
over 50 and you're
What
involved in any single
gives
one of
us
these
our
things, you're a scammer.
what gives us our security is that we get paid in Bitcoin. And
Because
so
you've
we can
already
have
missed your
Bitcoin
opportunity to make
and
real
save it
money, and
for as long
we
as we
know that
want
you're
until
lying.
it reaches the price that we want.
Yeah.
So the amount of money you earn in Bitcoin from your booster today, if you keep that for 5
he
years,
couldn't resist it. He let me in.
Instead of you earning
Right, how many?
This meeting is being recorded.
$2,000, $3,000, $4,000
I
in
got
5 years' time,
$20.
or 6 years' time,
Tell
or
them,
4 years' time. Okay, so there's no
give them
time scales on this,
$20
but
if
it's
they
just
stop
that
scamming.
the security is that you're being paid in Bitcoin.
The security is you got to get paid in Bitcoin.
As we've already discussed.
All right, how many chat rooms am I going to? How many am I going to flood the chat room? He cuts me out.
Look at
Got $20 for
people who a few years ago
I'll try
said,
my best.
I don't like Bitcoin, it's a
Okay.
scam, it's
Again.
not
50.
I'm not
All
going to
right,
get
here we
involved
go.
in it.
One.
And now all of a sudden, every country in the world is buying.
2,
Most
3,
major corporations are buying Bitcoin.
5,
So Walter,
6,
if you want to stop that in
7,
the
8.
chat.
Ah, I failed.
Yeah, Walter.
wow.
Bummer. I'm underwater now.
Okay, I've stopped it, but find out who it is and get rid of them. They're just an idiot.
We're gonna get rid of Donnie.
I'm just an idiot. I've got an 18-page document
what I was saying,
from the state of Texas saying this is a scam, and
so
I'm an
our
idiot.
Security is the price of Bitcoin. Big companies, big corporations, wealthy people are all
They kicked
buying
me out.
Bitcoin. pension fund companies, hedge fund managers.
Just get
You
rid
know,
of the
these
idiot.
people know what they're
The other
talking
one,
about when it
didn't you?
comes to money. They're all saying to people, all of their clients, you need to have some Bitcoin in your retirement portfolio. You need to have some in your hedge fund portfolio. Okay.
Yeah,
So
but we're not
if
going to
they're all
get into
doing
a
that,
scam.
surely we should be doing the same.
See,
That's
that's
my
why this
tuppence
is
worth. I
algorithm,
believe
man.
we
You're
should.
teaching the rhetoric.
You've got to
The
be in
company
there
get
as
a share.
the lecturer and tell them, because they
The
need to
company get
hear
a
this
share of
stuff.
that increased profit. We get a share of that increased
Hey, Fleck
profit. So the
Panzer, nice to
profit we
see you,
receive
mate.
is passive, and an equal share of the
Sorry,
pot
honey.
going to each active booster in the
I've just
booster
got told
farm.
off for being noisy.
Some of the profit we receive is active income shared out between teams that are taking part in the optional
Chat room
referral
disabled.
marketing program. Okay, so that's building a passive earning business. Basically, you just it's very easy to do. You simply register.
Right, we're just going to grab some of these names.
Yeah, you register, buy BitBoosters, and start receiving Bitcoin into
We'll
your
see
Bitcoin
who the
wallet
diehards are. The
on,
33 people that are in this
in your
opportunity of a
page.
lifetime.
Well, we don't need to worry about how to get the money out of BitHarvest, but it's as simple as that. You get involved, you buy a BitBooster, and you're earning passive income.
Oh, and the bid booster's not the scam.
People off. Not simple.
How much are the bid
Boosters
boosters?
cost $1,000 per booster. But the thing is, you pay once, you earn forever. Some people buy one to get started. Some people buy 5, 10. We've had people buy 50. We've had people buy 1,000. Okay, we've had people buy 100. Personally, I bought as much as I could afford to, and then I'm adding to it slowly. Well, say slowly.
But I
as
can't
quickly
tell
as I
you
can.
because
I'm
I
adding
live
to
off
it.
the government.
You can buy a
Yeah,
10%
on the
share of a
dole.
booster.
These guys are on
at
the dole.
$100
This
per
is literally
share.
how they survive.
You can buy as many shares or whole boosters as you want. Okay, so there's no limit to how many boosters you can buy.
There's no limit
if you
to your
want
stupidity.
But of course, the more boosters you have, the bigger your passive
If this
income
stuff
is.
was legit, they would talk to the government.
Notwithstanding, it's going to
ease
continue
it
to
into
grow
like
over
Medicare and
years.
Social
So there's a couple
Security,
of ways
like
of
you
looking at the passive income
have
here,
it
and one is that
deducted from
you
your
buy a
freaking
booster
government
for
benefits.
$1,000.
Yeah.
And the price is
The government
price of Bitcoin is
issue
$70. So $70, which means that based on the $1,000 you spent, your return is about 0.5% per day.
So yeah, I don't think
But
you
if
can
the
turn
price
your
of
cameras
Bitcoin
on.
goes to 140,000, which it definitely will, then you're going to be
You
earning about
definitely will.
$10 per day, which is 1% per day.
It's stupid.
Return on your
This meeting is being
2%
recorded.
per day. And when Bitcoin is $1 million,
I'll put my hand up
you're
now.
getting 8% per day based on this $1,000. Now, don't get confused because I'm talking about a percentage between the
I've been
Bitcoin
removed.
and the $1,000 that you've spent.
So I've gone in there as one of their own and put
don't
my
get
hand up,
confused on that. It's not a real.
and they've removed
it's not a
me, and they
direct
probably
comparison
removed the
because
person
you've
that
got to
was
take into account
innocent
the
as
price
well,
of
which is a
Bitcoin.
bit of a laugh.
But the point of this slide is to say, the price as the price of Bitcoin goes up, so your return on investment.
Just
Dare I
before
say
Chavez
return on
comes and tells
investment?
us a bunch of lies.
Your returns increase in both in dollars and in percentage terms.
Wow, just
Another
booster.
way of looking at it, if instead of spending a bit, accumulate it. So now what's happening is you're going to add more and more and more boosters. So if you have one booster and your price at the Bitcoin is $1 million, so the price is going to remain $1 million, then the value of your accumulated Bitcoin is 200,000. If you've got 5 boosters, your accumulated Bitcoin will be worth $1 million. If you've got 10 boosters, your accumulated Bitcoin.
For me asking that question and get kicked out.
The amount of Bitcoin you get goes up. The amount of Bitcoin you get increases, so you have more Bitcoin, but also the price of Bitcoin is going up. So the combination of both of them.
Alberta Security Commission. That's my name because he kicks me out now. He's not let me in.
That's the same slide.
That's funny.
So you can increase your holdings by reinvesting your Bitcoin on a regular basis, and typically you can double your booster holdings every 6 months by reinvesting your Bitcoin. So you buy boosters and earn passively.
Funny enough, I got removed.
Pay once and earn forever. I absolutely love that. You pay once and earn forever.
He can't lock you out.
Buy more boosters to increase your daily earnings. Accumulate Bitcoin to act as a nest egg when Bitcoin hits the right price.
Think they would go to the link?
Price that is. I know people that have.
You think they would go to the link that I gave them,
wait for it to go to
where
$1
it tells
million,
them it's been live
and then
broadcasted?
they'll cash it in. I think that's an absolute waste. I think that they should be taking that money and buying boosters with it.
Oh, what a good idea!
the price of Bitcoin gets to
I've
$1
gone
million,
in there as
they wouldn't
rise
just have
before
$1 million, they would have many,
and
many
told them
millions
that
of
Jan
dollars.
wants
But
this meeting
what
closed
do I
down,
know?
and Andy closed the meeting
I'm not
down.
here to give advice.
It's friggin' brilliant.
So you reinvest your earnings to compound your earnings potential, and you withdraw your Bitcoin to your external wallet on a regular basis. Don't leave it lying around in the company
Don't
back
leave it laying
office.
around.
It's your Bitcoin. Get it out. Get it somewhere
Get
safe.
it out. Get it into the Bitcoin world
In order
because
to
it's
the
safe
company's
forever.
influence very quickly on a specified budget, the company's introduced the referral marketing program. The marketing plan or
The marketing
compensation
plan.
plan rewards
The company that doesn't
leaders
exist.
for their success in expanding
All
the
right, we're
company.
going to go popcorning here,
And there are
guys.
two income streams.
I've
One
been
is you get
removed
paid
already.
on a one-off sale
Would you believe that?
that we influence. So if you get in,
So I need a good
and
name for.
The
introduce
recording
some of
has
the
stopped.
boosters, you get paid a
All right,
percentage of
so-
those sales. And we also get paid an ongoing residual income based on the number of
Okay,
boosters
so we need to come up
we've
with a
influenced.
strategy
So
here.
those boosters that your
I
friends
need a
put in and
name
bought, they're
that I
earning
can go into the
Bitcoin
meeting
every
with.
day, and a little bit of that Bitcoin is coming to you
Okay, 1
every
minute,
single
please.
day.
Call
So
up
of course, if you've got thousands upon thousands of boosters in
Walter
your group,
Ryzen.
you've only earned the sales commission once, but this Bitcoin that you earn every single day
Boomerang
carries on
Hindi.
forever, and it can become very, very large amount of money.
Boomerang. All right, so we can go Joseph Tran.
So this is about how the compensation plan rewards us for these
All right, so we're going
two
to change the
activities.
flavors here,
At the
guys.
moment, we've got 7 levels of compensation: customer, up to 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, all the way up to 6 star. In the next
And we may lose that meeting
2
in the
more
background,
levels,
but that
7
does not
star and
matter.
8 star. So look out for that change.
UK
Each level is
Prime.
rewarded with a different percentage for their one-off commissions, and each level is rewarded for.
We'll
So
be
the
able to
further
get in
up
there.
the chart you go, the more money you make from the sales. The further up the chart.
The impact prime time. That's interesting. That is amazing. So they're watching me. So that's interesting. Did you guys pick up on that? So that is interesting. So we need to rely on Bob. But they are watching me right now. That's how much they don't want us in their meeting. And this also shows how, to the end, these guys are getting, where they don't want us broadcasting their demise. Them collapsing is something they just don't want to do. They don't want people to see, which is just amazing. So it's really
track record.
oh, it's just
Shannon
brilliant.
Gregory.
Yep. I mean, no, this is the We Are All Satoshi meeting. They're watching us right now, and they're watching my username. So I can't get into the meeting today. That's a shame of it all, and that's just a shame, isn't it? Full screen. They're policing it. There's 275 people meeting, and you think that you can keep the crypto Ponzi scheme Avenger out of this meeting? Are you guys nuts? Do you not know who I am?
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation.
So here we go.
While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously.
So who am I now?
Legal disclaimer. You are viewing the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi, belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product with express permission risks serious legal consequences.
For God's sake, we'll get done by defamation. We'll be
broadcasting, live stream, social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations strictly prohibited. downloading and re-uploading presentations without
Sue us.
permission
We
via
dare you
copyright law and may lead to legal
Ladies and gentlemen, well, no, he is the developer, he is the innovator.
Hello, we've
and
lost it.
You're a disgrace to this country, you bloody scammer.
All right, listen to him now.
Prime Time.
This is
I
the fun
hope
part.
everybody's doing good. Today is a really important
Oh, another
Zoom,
important day.
so I won't waste a single second in waiting. But I will start. If you guys want to invite people,
Oh, here
just
we go again.
invite
Not the
them
invite
here,
wait game.
and we will continue. You guys can see in my background, I'm going to introduce Dodo. Today is the
Dodo.
first
What about the
ever
prepay?
explanation of the product. Today is not going to be very
Dodo.
difficult or very, it is just theoretical explanation. Today is not going to be any demo or walkthrough.
Dodo.
So you guys don't have to worry
You
about
choking on the dodo?
We're worried.
understanding everything. Just understand it like a story, like
Nobody's ever gonna understand.
overview of a product. Today I'm going to talk for the
Okay,
first
I'm
time
gonna
about
talk.
Dodo.
What's this?
So this is going to happen, and then next I'm going to introduce Capital 3.0 DAO DApp. And I'm going to give a walkthrough of the voting mechanism of Capital 3.0 DAO. So everything is ready.
Hey, what's this?
Today's Zoom is very important, and I'm going to start now.
Today's Zoom is very important.
Perfect.
And I'm going to
You
start
can't
now.
stick
So
on one
let me share
platform
my
for longer than 2
screen.
months.
I am Shabbos.
I
am
believe
Shabbos.
you guys can see my
It's
screen.
gone. Can we see a screen?
yes, perfectly.
Oh, perfectly. Yes, we can see it.
Perfect.
We
Okay.
can see it.
So
Can you see
Dodo
Lucky under
is
my desk?
basically
Yeah. So this is
index
another
trading platform.
program that
So
you can buy
before
shit.
understanding index
Maybe I need to
trading
move myself over
platform,
here.
even before understanding what is DeFi index trading platform, what is Dodo, we need to understand
What is Dodo?
very basic thing,
Dodo.
what is index,
Yep, you
or
need to
what is
understand.
basically
to understand
index
this,
trade.
guys.
What are indexes? What are indices? So index is a diversified basket of assets,
Wait till he tries to
stocks,
incorporate
or
the multi-level marketing
commodities.
scam of it.
Yeah. Yep. We can't wait.
Just like in stock market, in traditional stock market, when
Oh,
you
he goes back to a
check,
search engine.
Yeah.
He's brave, isn't he?
Excuse me, Chavez.
You're sharing the wrong
Your
screen.
photo
yes,
is in
Of course
front
me.
of
Of course
the right.
Accuse
yes,
you?
it is a
You're
new feature
allegedly a
of Zoom
scammer for
that I'm
5
using.
platforms in less than a year.
Okay, just
The new feature of
I
Zoom.
believe it's not
Otherwise, shut up.
interrupting.
Chavez
Is it?
balls.
We can't see where your picture is. We can't see what is behind it. It does add some words. But if you move to the right or left.
This, okay,
Oh, so tomorrow
perfect.
is
All
Richard
right,
Hart's case. That's going to be interesting.
or this
My
is good.
my one pulse coin might go up in value. I can't wait.
No, this is too much. This is too much.
Wait, is
This is
that
good.
the
I think this is
April live of Andy?
no.
No,
Wait,
no, no. I
this
don't
one
know
is
how to
best,
operate it.
right?
Oh, I'm
Your
so
body.
sorry.
There you go. That's best.
339
Perfect.
people, 38. Sorry,
Okay, amazing.
394
So
people.
we need to
are in here.
understand
We need
what is
to understand.
index first before
I thought you
understanding
said we already understood everything.
index and
We
before
don't need to
understanding in
understand
platforms.
anything.
Oh, this is
So
very simple.
when we check about the index or indices
Wow,
of
Rich, that sounds
stock
awesome.
market, we see so many
Which
indexes
is our,
like
our
S&P
token truck
500,
driver.
which is 500 best companies in the US are
Oh, they found
collaborated
me.
in a index, and when you
They
buy
found one of
S&P
me in the
500
other
stock,
rooms.
you indirectly
And they
buy
removed me.
stocks of
They removed
500
my backup.
companies. You hold them.
They're after us, guys.
So is Dow Jones. Then you have Nasdaq.
Oh,
You
Dow
have
Jones,
in
Nasdaq.
India
I know those
Nifty
big
50.
names.
You have Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. You have so many.
Yeah.
You have
Not
then
your average
in
dodo.
UAE you have AD. There are different
So
indexes
they're
in different
actively hunting for
stock
me,
markets.
and they don't want
So
this broadcasted, and they're
similarly,
kicking
see,
out
there
people
are
left, right, and
Taiwan,
center.
capitalization
today's
rated
the
stock
biggest
index, there is
the biggest
Russian
scam.
index,
Yeah.
Swiss
They got to see
index.
who's falling
So
for it.
every other
That's
index
right.
is representing a basket of assets, or you can say it is
They
a
got to create the script.
group of
So the
assets
chat's
which are
disabled. You can't turn on your
collaborated
camera.
together.
I don't think
When
you
you
can.
buy the stocks of
No, you
particular
can't turn on your
index, you are
camera. You can't
technically
turn on your
investing,
microphone.
or
But there's
you
nothing
are
illegal about what they're
buying the
doing.
stocks of different
Right.
companies which are part of this index.
This index.
And what we call that
Index.
the part of
Indexing or
the index is called
This is
underlying
the
assets
lot.
of the particular.
And we're having
Okay.
a party.
So now that we understood about what is index,
What is
let's
index?
understand what is index in crypto. So we will talk about
Very
DODO
good.
with
New sound
features. So
effects, by the
today
way.
we will learn about features of DODO. That is what the real essence of the product is. So in traditional markets, when you are investing in an index, you are essentially buying a product that represents a basket of stocks or financial instruments.
Have you ever
Let's say
had
you are
a
buying
basket
S&P
of
500.
dodo?
When you buy S&P 500, you are buying stock of S&P 500. You are not buying stocks of 500 companies individually.
Give me
Okay.
your crypto.
This index itself is a construct that tracks the performance of these
Somebody
assets. So
feed my
S&P
dodo.
500 is what? S&P 500
Dodo.
tracks the
Oh,
aggregated
we
or
need a new song.
cumulative performance of these 500 companies and then projects the growth or decline of the cumulative group of 500 companies. So as an investor, you hold shares of the
Keep your pants
index,
on, Richard. You're
not
getting worse than
actual
me.
underlying assets. It is the company or fund that is managing the index that holds the real assets on your behalf.
Oh.
I mean, there is a technical buying also, but that is held by the company or particular fund which has started that index in the stock market. So this structure allows investors to gain
Somebody join
exposure
Richard
to a
in the-
diversified portfolio without
You guys need to
direct
join
ownership
Richard in
of
here. He's getting lonely.
individual asset in the index. So let's say you go
Not
ahead and
connected.
buy all these
I'm
indexes
trying to
from
invite people
different
into your
parts of
room,
the
Richard,
world.
but there's no
You
one
are
here.
technically holding what? You are holding stocks of all the companies around the world in traditional finance. This is the magic, or this is the catch
None
when
of
you
Magic.
trade
is
with
selling.
indexes.
This is the magic, guys.
So
Dodo.
crypto index
Dodo.
index trading is also there. It is not like we are
Can't tell
introducing
when he's
crypto
saying
index
or you're
trading for the
saying it
first time.
anymore.
So if we go ahead
Yeah.
and Google crypto
Google
index
for the dodo.
trading platforms, we will get all centralized platforms where you can
I need a
trade
centralized
using
dodo.
cryptocurrencies on the basis of indices, but which involves 0 to 100% risk without transparency,
Have
because
you
you
seen
don't
my
know
dodo?
or you don't have the custody of the assets, underlying assets. You buy the stocks of particular index only. So there is a third party dependency for buy sell swap of these assets. But
What
with
comes
DODO,
first? The
what we
dodo
have
or the
done
dodo
is
bird?
really impressive.
It's really impressive.
That's why
This is just like
calling
Boomerang
DODO
was. And we
Nasdaq
refunded
of
everyone into
DeFi
BTC.
index trading. So this
team
is the
will
first
all of your
ever
crypto.
platform in the world.
Yeah, my
Or you
tech
can say
team
the
that you don't ever
first
see is
DeFi
amazing.
ecosystem
They're very
for
cheap to
index
run.
trading. So first decentralized finance tool for index trading is DODO. So in DeFi ecosystem, DODO allows users to interact with crypto
My tech
indices
team
in
is
a
so
more
good.
direct manner.
It creates
So when you buy a crypto
being
index
there.
through DODO, you actually
I feel sorry
hold
for
the
the admin
underlying
that's trying to keep me
assets
out of this room.
in the
Can't find
smart
me.
contract which are connected to your own wallet.
Now, Dodo.
This differs from traditional
Dodo.
finance where assets are
Dodo.
held by a
Dodo.
company on your behalf. So in DeFi, you have the full control and ownership of the assets, which means
Dodo is
greater
non-DeFi.
transparency,
No.
autonomy, and potential lower fee. It's your keys, your crypto. So the direct ownership offers users enhance
Party
security
time. It's a
and
Tuesday.
flexibility compared to centralized
Damn it.
traditional
Yes.
financial
Did you
systems.
turn on?
That's
Did
why
you turn
DODO
on
is
AI
unique.
Chavez so he
This,
understands how to
this
There's
is our
someone
unique
on my
selling point,
phone.
that we are the first
And I
DeFi ecosystem for
can't use
index
that at the
trading,
moment.
where you will hold the
He's-
underlying
he's
assets
gotta
in
let him
your
listen to this entire
control,
episode.
in your custody.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Now I will explain the concept
The
one more time with
concept.
crypto, and
The
then we will jump on to the
concept.
features of DODO. So we can start extending the same concept like traditional market,
Like
traditional stock market
market
and
on our
cryptocurrencies
own
as well.
blockchain.
So how do we determine the index
How do we
or
flash out,
indices?
Danny?
Cryptocurrencies are diverse in multiple categories and can have multiple monitoring parameters. So we can check crypto parameters on
Crypto parameters.
coin market
One
cap. We
question,
can go on
Chavez.
categories. We can check. There are so many
Would you
categories
sell DODO
already
to your mother?
which are created in the crypto according to the capitalization, that is market cap.
This is the
So
cryptos that are
we can
calculated
check
on the
crypto
currencies.
by market cap, top AI projects, top infra projects, top layer 1 solutions, top DeFi projects,
this is a
top
very
meme coins,
serious
top layer 2, top
court case
deepin,
against
top
the crypto Ponzi scheme
RWA,
Avenger that's
real
never
world
eventuated,
assets, so many
Chavez.
things. So all these categories are individual indices, hence has individual measurement of value. How do we do that? In DODO,
Now, just
we are
looking at
creating
Joseph
index of
Tran's
diversified
wallet, we
assets
managed to
on the
freeze his
basis of
wallet,
classification
and
and
he has closed
measures
that wallet down
value
and no
of
activity for 6
particular
days.
group of assets in Web3
Isn't that how it goes?
space.
Did you
So,
see the dodo bird?
how these indices are identified?
The dodo bird is on
There
the
are
screen above
several
my head.
categories.
Thank you,
There
Susie. You contribute well.
indices which are
There's a
available
dodo
in
bird.
crypto through which we
We'll
can
bring dodo
create
birds
or
up later.
curate these
Is there a dodo
indices
bird
in DODO.
emoji that's built in?
The
Friggin'
provided
DODO stuck in his teeth.
market
Yeah.
data by aggregators
We
such
need a
as
dodo
CoinMarketCap, which I showed you.
Dodo
CoinMarketCap is such
dodo birds
old
here.
aggregator which has all the information of whole decentralized finance. Then CoinGecko, Infura.
Yeah, where's my
same,
$10,000 for getting your last name, Chavez?
platforms which give
Chavez
more or less
BTC
the
is not your last
information of the
name.
whole market
Bull market.
under
Well,
one
we
roof.
don't need
So,
Chavez in the bull
the
market.
parameters
Just
that
buy
we use
Bitcoin.
is current narrative of the market, hot ecosystem, market cap
Holy
of particular
vegetarian.
assets,
Now,
and liquidity of underlying assets.
their
Then we
BTC
also check
coin
pair pool
isn't
liquidity
on.
on the dexes of underlying
The
assets,
BTC
and
coin
we
isn't
also
even on the
check
market.
and
So these guys are going to
analyze the
miss the bull
slippage
market
concern.
because they had their own exchange,
And then we also check the
which is
index
very
market
similar
cap.
to a
That means
OKX
how much
exchange
weightage of the
because we can
particular
see the back
index
end
is.
of it,
So let's say
which was
we
owned by
find some index.
Hypertech Group.
Let's say we go to
What's a parameter? Is that like a paradigm?
Solana. We find Solana ecosystem. In Solana ecosystem, there are so many tokens and coins listed, which are part of Solana
Is a beautiful
ecosystem.
bird.
So it will be easy for us to determine
be easy
by market cap, which is the biggest ecosystem right now.
Wow.
So in total, if we
Gosh,
take like 10 or 20
wow.
assets and we
Bruce
calculate the market cap of Solana
Wow. I'm
ecosystem,
impressed,
we will
Chavez.
understand the total market cap,
The total
what
market cap.
Solana
This
ecosystem is
freaking
occupying.
guy, man.
The total market cap.
That gives us understanding to create these indices.
Yeah, how
Okay.
come? Okay.
Why index
Why is-
trading in
Oh, that's
crypto
interesting.
will
See.
give massive success to every user?
Why crypto will get
See,
Leave the
at
sex
DODO,
out
what
of
we
it,
will do,
Yeah.
start with 20 best indices, and at the time of launch,
Well,
and
Jan
once
Gregory's
we launch,
crew's still
after
going
that,
up.
on the basis of
Hey, Bitcoin's up to 71
market movement and
at the moment.
conditions and behavior, we will create more indices. But these 20
Chavez, stop
indices
sleeping with your
are
sister.
going to move potentially with the whole market.
Get myself in trouble doing
You are having a fast moving, slow moving, stagnant, futuristic assets.
Stagnant?
Stagnant. New
You
word.
control
Don't
everything.
make no
You
money.
become part of
He's got
the whole
18.
market at a macro level, since you have custody of these assets
Macaroni level,
with
yeah.
Dodo.
yes.
So diversified
Let
portfolio.
Dodo eat
Then volatility
macaroni.
proof. I will explain
My Dodo
volatility
don't eat
proof
banana
mechanism
no more.
by features. I have not started with the features of Dodo yet. This is
I've not
just
started.
the
I'm just
introduction
doing
of
the
the product.
pre-sale.
Then ease of selection and identification. So let's say you are an enthusiast. You want to follow the current market
To
trend.
scam you, I
You
scam you.
want to grab
What is that? Not
assets
big.
and keep them with you in the bull run.
Oh,
So you go and check top real world assets. When you check, you will find so many tokens, and then no idea where to buy them.
Oh,
You
true.
have to check one by one, all of them.
One
But
by
with
one, all of
Dodo,
them.
one
Get the
click
piss
and
streaker
done.
guy on the line and have him
This is ease
validate
selection and
Chavez.
identification
I
that
think
we
Susie's
offer as
pissed
a
off.
product.
Just having
There is no
going back to
product
look for
in the
Dodo
market
birds.
like this.
Susie says some wise words are on
So
top of
you
the screen at the
have to
moment.
understand
What is
how unique
fucking
we
market
the
night?
how
What a
unique
fucking
product
nightmare!
we have,
Dodo is
and you
extinct.
have to sell
Sheesh, this
on
platform is like
with this affiliate
no
model, and also
market
you
in
you will get to
Spanish-speaking
consume for
countries.
yourself.
Now he's starting
So
to talk about the MLM.
and
Nova
this is
market.
exactly what I will personally also do. I will simply buy all the indices on Dodo, and I will sit back, relax
Sit back
for
and
the bull run.
relax. Passive income
I
opportunity of a
will
lifetime coming
make
up.
money every day as
Every
well
day.
with some indices which are
Every
like
day.
aggressively
Every day.
growing, and I will have the
I
stability
need a
also
dodo
with
bird for
stable
my thumbnail.
indexes. I mean stable
Susie, you need
indices,
to.
which will not be
You and a
stable,
Dodo when Kamala becomes
but
president.
Yep.
perpetually moving or slowly moving, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Solana.
Your Dodo bird is dead, dude.
Now we will
Dead,
discuss
dead, dead.
the functionality of Dodo. So offering top indices.
I'm gonna have to
Most
screenshot this.
important top 20
Here-
indices will
here
be
comes the
offered by
price-
Dodo at
The
the
price
time of
scheme of things.
Oh, it's not how much you pay. It's how much you love what
we
you do.
will always be able to add more indices according to the market conditions, and these are ones are pre-arranged indices from CoinCap, CoinGecko, already arranged with top performing assets. Each index weightage is different based on underlying asset. That means, let's say some index has 10 assets, some index has 3 assets, some has 20, some has 50. So weightage of these underlying assets in top 50 would be different.
The top
Top
50
10
will
would
be
be
different,
10%
Richard.
each.
They will
Top
be
3 will
different.
be 33% each. Top 2 will be 5% each. Like that. So value of index will be constantly updated based on performance of underlying asset in the index in real time. So we will take an example for this whole presentation, or for the walk for the
man. It's not a
introduction of
presentation.
the product. One index named
There's no
Three
product, dude.
Musketeers. This is a
Ask
prominent
Black
index with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana.
Yep.
So let's say we are buying Three Musketeers.
Okay, I'll bring that up.
The weightage
Wanna
of
fix Susie?
3 assets will be
Mosquitoes.
33% each. So let's say if you buy
Gotta pay for
$5,000 worth
mosquitoes?
of Three Musketeers, you are
Hey,
holding
dodos are
Bitcoin,
dead.
Ethereum
Extinct bird.
equally.
And he's bringing them back.
3%
kinda-
each of
He's
$5,000.
a dead dodo.
Dodo.
And you will see the growth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I will explain how. So let's say you
birds
bought
are
an
like
index.
3
At the
times as
time
big
of
as ostriches,
your
right?
buying, Bitcoin was
Yes.
$50,000. I'm just taking an example. Don't go with this. Right now, Bitcoin is
Don't go with it.
$71,978.
Didn't they turn a
Okay.
dodo bird into a
Ethereum
cartoon
was $2,000. Solana was
on the
$100.
Flintstones?
Now after 1 hour of you buying the index, the price changed. And when the price changed, Bitcoin became $52,000.
Oh.
That was increase of 4%. Ethereum increased for 10%.
10%.
Solana decreased with 2%. And this aggregated profit or aggregated increase aggregated growth of your index will be shown to you,
I did it
and
again.
also you
Recording
get to
has
see your
stopped.
underlying assets also individually growing or decline. So it is not like you bought this index, Three Musketeers, and now you are, on an average, this whole index is in profit. But you will also see particular underlying assets also, their growth, their volatility. So it will be real-time display on DApp. Then now I will start discussing features of Dodo one by one. First feature of Dodo is buying the index. So let's say you are buying Three
I
Musketeer.
don't even think
The
it's the real
holding
Chavez. I think
weightage
this
is
is Chavez
equally
AI.
distributed, like I
It could be.
explained. So if you buy Three Musketeer, 33% each, that means three assets you are buying when you buy an index. So if you buy at $10,000, you are basically buying $3,300 each, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Let's say you buy 10 meme coin, 10 top meme coin index. So you technically buy 10% of each.
That is a dodo
10
bird,
memes
ladies and gentlemen.
that are listed
This is
in
what the dodo
particular
birds
index
actually look like.
equally.
Okay.
Let's say if it is, let me go.
Thank you, Susie, for
on
the
memes.
dodo
This is the
bird
meme index.
impersonation.
So you see Dogecoin, Solana, Shiba, Pepe, WIF, Popcat, Bong, Floki. You buy these 10 for 10% each. So let's say you are buying $10,000, $1,000 each, 10 meme coins you will buy. Okay. So this is first ever in industry feature that you can buy and hold top underlying assets of particular index.
Yes.
Okay, let me explain this so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, this is the first ever feature. That means, let's say you buy index of top 10 meme coins.
I think I woke the house up this morning
1, 2,
because I was
3,
so excited about
4,
all the
5,
wonderful
7,
things that were happening.
8, 9,
Don't
and
think I'm
10.
going to get a coffee today.
So up to Mog coin, you buy this index. This has 10
now, do we have a
coins.
website for Dodo yet?
Let's say you bought it this month, and after 2 months,
After
let's say 10 days, or after 1 week, what happened? This 11th one, Nero came at the 8th position, or 8th position, and this Brett got replaced by Mock coin.
Mockcoin.
There was a movement in
Is that a
market, and
bird?
these
Is that a dead bird?
meme coins, they replaced positions. So Dodo will do what? Dodo will automatically sell your mock coin, Brett,
So this is just another
or
trading
mock
platform.
coin,
Is that what we've got?
and buy Nero on behalf. So you will always be holding the top 10 of that particular category. So you will
Nobody's going to
never miss
question
out
his
on the market
efficacy,
according to that of the growth which market is
his
picking up.
authenticity,
So with Dodo, when you buy an index, you
his
always
career,
hold the top
founding of
underlying
the
assets
company,
of particular
the
index
legality,
or category.
No.
or his
You,
history
you
with
can
20
just
other
relax,
scams.
buy
don't
it,
need-
and done.
I'm gonna
You are
ask the question.
always holding the
These guys are
best.
going, you don't need
This
law.
is the first feature of Dodo.
Roads.
Okay. Second important feature, Dodo is decentralized. That means your
Oh, it's
holdings are
decentralized.
not in
Well, we're
others'
saved, aren't we?
custody. So where is the custody of your holdings? It is inside the smart contract of each index. So every index has each unique smart contract.
Unique.
Because weightage of the assets are different, underlying asset is different, category of these assets are different. So every index has a separate
Imagine
smart
this guy
contract.
really having a freaking awesome life.
What
if
are
he
the
actually did
benefits
something
of
for
this?
himself, entrepreneur.
Everything is on
Yeah.
chain. You have
He's not
decentralized
even,
custody.
he
You
will
can
still be
click,
working for
withdraw,
Hypertech Group.
and you will be able to take it out. Or you click, deposit, and you will be able to buy.
He's not doing this his own self.
This is the benefit of having a decentralized custody. Just
Yeah.
like the miners you stake. You stake, you unstake. You mine, you don't mine. So everything is under your control. It is a decentralized
No,
custody.
there's not going to be any of your own
So
control.
you have the whole visibility also. When you will buy particular index, let's say you will buy Three Musketeers, you will hold Bitcoin,
The whole
Ethereum, and
day of false
Solana
claims.
in the smart contract on your command. And
Yes.
you will also get this transaction
Wait till you see
hash,
my thumbnail.
which will
I'm
mention
designing it
Bitcoin,
in the
Ethereum,
background
and
now.
Solana being bought
How did
on your
this
behalf.
scammer have time to
So
create
this
all
is
this
the
bull
benefit.
crap?
Well, he's got a
Now,
hypertech group.
we will understand
He's got a
about
technical team.
selling the index, how you sell the index.
Hold it. He just put the price up then.
So, sell index with Dodo can be done using two ways. One, you
Sorry, I've got a
liquidate
dodo in my
all your
throat.
assets and you take out USDT. Let's say you bought an index, Three Musketeers, for $10,000. It has grown $1,000 in
Oh,
a couple
you
of
spend
days.
money like
So
it's
you want to
water,
now
and
liquidate
you don't worry
it.
about
So
it.
you can sell it
You just keep
at
giving us your money.
11,000
We'll keep coming up with these
USDT, and you can
projects.
withdraw
We never
USDT
deliver.
ERC20.
And
Or
the
what you can
salespeople will
do,
keep telling you,
you
don't
can
worry,
also
and you
withdraw
can't talk to anyone.
Bitcoin,
And we block
Ethereum,
off
and
all chat
Solana
rooms.
to Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, Solana address.
Normal stuff.
It's a decentralized
It's a decentralized
platform. So you
platform.
can do both.
You can do both.
Now, third big feature of Dodo.
Third big
You are
feature.
buying, selling, swap.
Oh, here we go.
Everything. You're buying, selling, swap is performed by Dodo smart contract and backend with the
very good.
DEXs.
Very
So it
clever.
means you enter with USDT and you can potentially exit with USDT. If you don't want
if I
to
called you a turd,
withdraw in
be
underlying
happy with me.
assets particularly, then you enter in USDT, you exit in USDT. Simple.
Simple.
Now I will talk about the fourth best feature.
The
How
fourth
the
best feature.
value of index calculated and user can
If
purchase
this
with
thing
what
was
on it.
real, you
So
would do a
value of
demonstration.
index
You wouldn't
is
need an Indian guy
calculated
without
on
a
the
job
basis
to
of
explain it.
price
Richard,
of
you're being a bit
underlying
negative.
assets and
I'm being
how
what?
many assets are
Negative.
there. You can start with
Oh, sorry.
$500. You
Yeah.
can buy any index with minimum $500. So I will do what? I will personally, literally do what I will buy all the indices
Oh,
and
he's
I
got
will
a
keep them. This is like, and I will show you guys like every week on trainings this
Oh my
account
God!
on
Every
which I will
week
buy
I
all of
can't do
them,
it.
and you guys will see the growth because when I will explain about indices, how many types we are going to create, it is
Oh my
going to be
God!
so interesting. There
So
will be some
interesting.
We're going to have
dynamic,
Dodo
some will be fast
everywhere.
moving, some will be do or die. It will just be like,
Do or
you know, some
die.
of the fast moving projects where you can literally go from $500 to $50, or you can go from $500 to $50,000. So that kind of indices will
Where's their
also
logo?
be
Has anyone
there.
got their logo?
So you will get a
I'm trying to do
variety
their thumbnail. I need the
of
logo.
different indices. There will be 20 best indices at the beginning, and then
Sebez,
we
if
will
this is
continue
real,
to
why don't you come to
increase.
Times Square, buddy?
Okay.
Yeah, because they'll
So
lynch
if you
him.
buy one index and leave it for
That's
1
why.
year, the outperforming underlying assets will be held by you.
Held by you?
Since you hold that particular index. I believe this
Since
is
your
clear.
Dodo cannot hold anything.
Okay.
Dodo.
Which network are we deployed on? Ethereum. Why?
Ethereum.
It
Not for
is
long.
the most secure, most liquid network right now, and the entire market is on Ethereum
Oh,
only.
really?
So, but the only
Not just
resistance,
like a
which is
make up your
gas,
scam and
which we
put it
cannot
on that.
minimize, nobody can minimize,
Yeah.
but we built a solution for that as well.
Oh my God.
What we will do,
Brilliant.
we will have aggregated swap orders. This is the best feature of Dodo. So within period of 15 minutes.
15
So
minutes.
this we have kept for 15 minutes now, but it is customizable. It can be changed. It can be reduced to 5 minutes as well. It can be more, 30 minutes as well. So within this 15 minutes, let's say 100 people buy different indexes. or 100 people swap something. These transactions of 100 people are going to be clubbed together and will be executed in one is going to be
Danny's crackling
divided
up. Sorry about
amongst
that,
these
guys.
100 people. Okay, let me give you an example.
Give
Let's
me
say 100
example.
people are buying 3 musketeers. And on buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana on Ethereum network, you guys understand how much can be the gas fee, right?
Oh,
How much can be the
it'll be
swap
the
fee?
same as the other
So
one.
let's say the calculated gas fee is $20.
Calculated.
Okay. So every user has to pay $20 individually. And 100 people are buying 3 musketeers in this instance of 15 minutes.
Uh-huh.
So they will collectively pay
$2,000
$2,000 individually. But with
Yes.
our solution, with Dodo, we paid $20 in one transaction and we bought on behalf of 100 people
How do we know
in their
that Dodos
custody
really have faces?
and divided this $20 into 100 people, which is
How do we
20
know?
cents, which is equal to Polygon gas fee. So you
For
understand,
all we know,
on
Dodos are like
Ethereum,
moles.
while trading with Dodo, you will
Moles with
feel like
wings.
you're trading
They don't have.
with
They don't have
Polygon.
faces. They only got noses.
This is what we have built in Dodo. Okay, this is one of
You
there are
baked it
more
into the
interesting
Dodo.
ones, which are going to come next.
I
Okay.
want to go home.
So,
Eli
when your
Dodo.
underlying assets are changing inside the index, so your holdings also change. Let's say you are holding top 10 meme coins, and let's say 8th one
Hello,
replaced
we've
the
got an
12th
example
one.
here.
Now, the 12th meme coin, which is now the 8th in the list, is being bought on your behalf from Dodo. And first, the 8th one is sold, and then the 12th one is bought, which is now the 8th. So you're holding top 10. Is paying for the swap. So Dodo will pay for the swap at that
If
time.
anybody can get into the
Platform will
chat,
pay
ask
your
Shabazz if he
gas
wants to be
fee
turned into
at
China
every
or the
swap.
U.S. first.
And when do you pay the
Not
platform
forever,
your
Rich.
gas fee? When you exit. So this is our feature number 6. We have designed settlement of gas fee at the exit. So whenever you exit, at the time when you sell the particular index,
When you sell,
you are basically
how do you
paying the
sell?
gas fee.
The key word is sell.
How your gas fee is calculated?
You will
It
make
is
money.
3 basic pointers on which gas fee is calculated. And this gas fee is not individual gas fee. This is divided amongst users who are trading at the same time within the period of span of 15
Oh, I'm
minutes.
taking screenshots of all this
So,
and getting this.
this is the flow of the gas fee. There are 3 types of gas which will be visible to you:
Dodo has
SF1,
gas
SF2,
flow.
S3. Swap fee 1. Swap fee 1 will be applied at the time of buying the index. So when you buy the index,
But
let's
my
say you
Dodo
enter with
does not have a
$500,
bundle.
you pay the gas fee to trigger the smart contract,
I
and
don't
your
know where the
$500
gas
is
flow.
sent. Now this sending of $500 you have to pay because it is from your
Have you
end.
seen my
The
Dodo?
moment you send $500 to the smart contract, there onwards, the assets are divided. Then this USDT is going to be swapped in different
This
underlying
is making
assets of the
sense to
index.
no one.
Let's say you are buying 3 musketeers. So you are technically buying 3
He
things in
keeps
one order.
saying
So
buy
these 3
musketeers,
swap
man.
fees are going to be paid by Dodo, which is going to be again divided amongst users. So this individual divided gas fee you will pay, that will be called SF1. This is the first gas fee. Second, it will be SF2 when you sell the particular index. Let's say you are selling it at that time of swapping your underlying assets into
Boy, I love
USDT.
ChatGPT. You should
There is
see
a
what
swap fee.
ChatGPT is doing to this at the moment.
If it is not swap, then sending the asset to your wallets is also includes some gas fee. So that will be deducted as SF2. Then there is
Danny.
third swap
Yes.
fee, which can be
I got
applicable
something huge for
when
ya.
the
Huge.
index
Boom. A
changes,
boat?
or when the underlying
No,
assets
like
in the index they
tell
change or update. So there is a
tell
swap which
AI to
happens, like I
create a new
explained. So this
Chavez
is
for
swap
Dodo.
fee 3, SF3. So
And his
similarly,
mission is
settlement of
always
gas
to
fee will
convince
take
us
place
that it
at
is
the
a
time
scam.
when you sell the index or when you withdraw the index. It will be
He's
SF1
not
plus
allowed to
SF2 plus
respond
SF3.
unless he's convincing us that it's a
Don't
scam.
I mean, if you're not to understand, it's completely all right. I'm just giving a brief of the product. You guys need to see the product first, and
Oh,
it
now
is
it's
it
just a
is really
beta.
really amazing.
The product's really, really amazing.
I'm not doing whole justice to the product by explaining it using
So
a
let's see if we can
word
find
pack.
this.
So
You have to come in on
bear
the
with
beta
me
level.
till the time I show the product. Okay, seventh best feature. This is stop loss or health
Beta
factor
or
in
beta?
trading. See, this is a proper trading
DODO.
platform.
Say beta.
So you have stop loss
So
also.
how
You
come
can set your
how come
own
9pay's not
indicator
working?
of stop loss
Yeah.
while
9pay
buying
should just give
any
us free access to
index.
Dodo.
Let's say you are buying do or die, something
Yeah.
like that. We are creating some index which is like do or die kind of
So
very aggressive. It's just
dodo.cc
like
isn't
gambling,
available. Anything
right?
happening?
So
No,
when you
we're
buy
leaving it
do
at
or die,
Dodo's
you set
Crypto
stop
G.
loss at 50%,
Man,
and
these people
you
are
are all set.
scumbags.
So
Yeah.
you
You'll
will
love this
be
one.
in comfortable position while holding such volatile index, which is every day going 30-20% up and down, but you have set your stop loss at 50%, so that even when it crosses 50, it is automatically sold. So
Oh.
this is health factor that will be
We've had a
available
lot
to
of
the
fun though,
users
Crypto
while
G. And
buying the
Trades
index.
Technologies has fallen over, by the way.
We
Website
have
down and
more than
everyone's
that.
wallets are empty.
So we have timestamp also. You can set your particular time ranging from 24 hours to unlimited while buying the index.
Nah.
So what you can do, you can set both time as well as stop loss. So let's say you are buying index for 1 week with health factor of 50% stop loss. You can also do that. So these two ways you can customize or minimize your risk. Okay.
Okay,
So
I'm going to drop on my Dodo
even
card
if you
now.
have
By the way,
instructed Dodo with twin parameters
I love
of
this.
let's
You
say
can
1
sell
week with
anytime
50%
into
stop loss,
BTC.
you can sell your index anytime. It is not logged. It is never logged. So even if you have set your stop loss and timestamp, you can sell it immediately. You can set the next minute you buy the index, you can sell it. No problem. You can sell anytime.
Anytime.
Okay.
so stupid.
This is the next feature. Now I am going to move to the best. So these are all best features in Dodo.
This is how you can spend
But
money.
these best features are so many. Okay, this one is my favorite, which is coming. Okay,
Chavez, you're a
so
scammer.
we will have a leadership board also in Dodo, so that the
Ooh.
traders which have
Dodo.
made
Dodo.
most of the money, their
Oh,
wallet addresses and their
we know
buying
about the
and their
trainers.
particular index will be visible. So you can actually
Hey,
see
I got
who is
removed
making
from their
more
other
money on
meeting,
which index, and then you can
which is her case. So they're still trying to
simply
get rid of
follow.
people. And we have
Okay, when it comes to
440 people in
following,
here at the moment.
when we were doing all this and introducing some following mechanism, we thought of introducing copy trading also. So with Dodo, you can do what? You can also you can generate your own copy trading link.
Oh my
Let's
God.
say you have made some money on particular index. You generate your copy trading link and your portfolio of different index. You send it to someone. When they follow you or they use your copy trading link,
Oh,
you
here we
get
go.
15% of the
Oh,
Dodo
here we
fee
go.
that they pay at the time of buying the
Oh my, where's
index.
the money come from?
This is going to attract a lot of traders generic traders to
I don't
DODO,
think so,
because see,
Tim.
it's a decentralized platform. They are pretty
They're
much
not even
buying
going to get
anything.
500 of your
They're
supposed
pretty
2 million.
much buying everything. And then on top of this, they are getting a fee on
Notice that he
referral
calls them traders
with
instead of people.
copy trading, and this is not fee on
Oh,
profit.
I think you've
This
got.
is fee
Living on you,
on
scumbag.
I think you've got the
this
wrong
is
attitude there, Rich. Just
you
saying.
know, commission on the fee that is fixed. This is not volatile, that if
This is
other
not
people
volatile.
has not made profit, they will not get
Rob!
money. They will get paid. It's a
Is
fee,
Rob in
entry
here?
fee.
Don't think Rob's in here.
Okay.
Come set us
This is
straight,
going
Rob.
to make
Yeah. Come on,
DODO
Rob. Get your
a
ass in here, mate.
really,
This is the
really
Dodo opportunity
massive
of a
product in
lifetime.
the trading community outside affiliate marketing.
We need a
So
logo
it's a
now.
huge product already.
It's
Okay.
not a product.
Now,
Oh,
this
come
is
on,
going
Rich.
to be
All the
added
other ones
up
are products.
with
Why isn't this one a
even
product?
interesting feature.
Because it's not
This
even a
is
beta
what I was
product.
talking about. My favorite. You can create your own index.
Did you hear
So
that?
let's say you like
Oh.
10 cryptos which are doing really good, and you think
Let's say
that
you
if
think.
I create this index and
I reckon
you
this
know
is right up
others
Crypto
will
G's alley,
follow,
though. He's going to
and
get
you
one of these.
can make commissions on even suggesting them, then you will go ahead and create.
Oh my
Let's say
gosh, this
Grace
guy.
creates
But what about all the other projects you haven't
her
finished?
top 10.
And where did the
Maybe
money
it
go?
not be my
He
top
likes it
10.
when
My top 10
Lucky
may
says
have
dodo
been,
when
you
when
know,
she's under the
can be
desk.
different.
He said
Uh,
do do
you know, according to the ranking. Let's
She
say I
would
don't
say,
like
I thought dodos were bigger than that.
Ripple. I don't like Dogecoin. I like BNB. I like Solana. I like Ton. I like only development projects. So
G'day,
I
Mark.
can create my own list.
6:15.
And I can
Is Lucky
create
in
the
the room,
index in
Danny?
time.
Yes,
When
she was in
you
there earlier
create
on.
the index in real time, you
She's not in
bring
the
the
room. She's under
particular
the
smart
table, mate.
contract of underlying assets to DODO. DODO will write smart contract for you, and it will
Oh my
create
God.
index
It's a
and
dream come
register
true.
under your name. And then you can generate a copy trading link of your index. If you have made money with your index, you
I
can
can't
show
wait to hear
others,
Grace
and they will
give it
see
the stamp of
that
approval, though.
you have made money on your own index. They will follow you. So this is DODO. This is pretty much it.
Where's the
These
logo?
are 11 features
He just showed us a lot
on
more
which the whole
features. He didn't
product
even
is
name a
built.
single new thing.
Oh, hold up.
I
I'm gonna
can
take
go on and
screenshots.
on. I can explain
Oh, hold
more.
up.
I can go on in a even bigger depth to explain
You might
DODO.
have to.
But this is today's the first
We need explanation. We need demonstration.
explanation, first
Did
introduction
we
of the
get 10?
product. Next
And then I'll go
demonstration
authorize
would
it
be
with the
with the
SEC, you
product,
freaking
because
rat
DODO is a
bastards.
ready working product,
It's a really working problem.
and
And you just
there
go
will
to
be
any
no
exchange and trade like a
such
motherfucker and you're
testing
fine.
version,
That's all you need to do.
nothing. It's a working product that we are going to give you. That's why I was kind of waiting on DODO. So,
Really?
I believe you all, the first impression of DODO has
Dodo.
been good or is good.
Dodo
Really?
got him from
So there's the
Let me see.
logo. So we've got to get
How
that
many
logo
people
up there,
like
don't we?
DODO? Just
I want to see if we can
react
find
or
that
do
logo anywhere.
something,
I'll
or
just take a
raise your
screenshot of
hands.
that.
Let me see. Did you guys?
What about Capital
Are you
3?
guys excited for DODO?
What
Is
about
it a
Capital
good
3? What
product
happened
that
to
we
that?
have built?
I'm really quite
I mean,
upset that Dodo's
the
dead.
amount of responses that we have received from traditional traders, from
What? And
various
it's not even live.
developers.
It's
That
not
was
live, and they reckon that
mean,
they've got this
the audits have
this thing going already.
given us a great response. We've got
pinned to the
superb response. I don't know about the community. I want to know. Okay, only
Here we
okay.
go.
100 people like the product.
I'm too scared to put our hands up,
Amazing.
Shabas. We'll get kicked out.
Amazing. It is indeed an interesting product.
Can we have a vote saying we
Where
want
will
the other
you
projects
get
finished
the
first?
ease to buy
Yeah, right.
such
Can we have our
basket
vote
of
back,
assets
please?
at once? I mean, you always go on CoinMarketCap and check 10 meme coins, check 10 RWA projects. But have you ever bought $50 worth of 10 meme coins and kept it with you so
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you
your meme
maintain a
coins. What happened to the
portfolio
meme
of top
coins that
10
you told everyone
cryptos
to
and
buy?
you think you are going to win? No, nobody does that. I mean, everybody thinks about doing it, but this is not feasible.
It's not feasible.
So to the people who are lazy, to the
My
people
dad was
who
once
want to,
married to a
I'm
DODO
not
person.
calling everybody lazy, but yes,
And
to
I
the people who
don't
have not
understand
done
what my
this
dada says,
before,
but the
they
DODO
can do
bird
it.
did not let
People
my
who
dad.
already know, they will do it.
So where's this logo?
So
Somebody find me this logo that he's sitting
product,
behind.
I believe the whole community is going to embrace it, and you guys are
Embrace a
going to sell
dodo.
it and make
Yeah.
a lot of money because bull run is coming. Entire
I
market is
gotta go, Danny
moving
boy.
All right, mate. See you
every
later,
day
alligator.
while
Thanks for the banter.
creating these indices. Every day we are making money because we create
Every
index
day.
and we buy it and then we see growth. We see growth. So it's super interesting. Okay, now
Questions?
I have more interesting things.
Oh, here we go.
Announcements on was, and then no, first I again, and I would like to share Capital 3.0 DAO. First, tell me who has not
No wonder they didn't want me in here today.
submitted 3po dot capital. So domain is 3po dot capital, Capital 3.0 website. This is everything is ready. The voting mechanism is ready. Everything works. Okay. Raise your hands if you have not submitted your Solana address to WAS and you
Oh,
have
he's
bought
just grooming people
3.0
for disaster. It's disgusting,
subscription.
isn't it?
If you have not submitted your Solana address, please, I request, please submit your Solana address to WAS
No problem.
dashboard. It is
You
very,
can
very
sell
important for the
anytime.
voting mechanism. To
Anytime.
everyone who has submitted
Okay.
already,
This
thank you
is
so
the
much
nice
for proactively participating. We have started minting of
will get
C30 DAO
right.
tokens
The
already.
It's
fee
Robin
entry
So
here.
of
if you will check your Solana Phantom address, you
you.
will find C30 DAO token already. Okay. We will start the voting mechanism. This is the website. This is the TVL of a whole community. It will be real time updated. Here you will find total voted members of the DAO. Here you will find total C30 DAO tokens which have been minted to the users. And here you will find STC30 DAO tokens which are confirmed votes on the DAO as of now. I told everybody, I believe you guys remember, when you vote with C30 DAO token, the smart contract is going to mint you STC30 DAO token.
Boomerdoggle.
And today you guys will have bigger visibility as to why
I'm
we have
actually
created
copying
this DAO and app.
the screen
It
so I
is
can put up
really, really
make up
impressive. So you will get
a description for
all
this
the
video.
information about Capital 3.0. And then I will visit the DApp. This is the DApp of voting
I'm trying to get number
and
9.
allocations. So when you go to the DApp, you simply connect your Phantom wallet.
Selling.
When you connect your Phantom wallet, you will get your voting token here. Let's say I have 10 voting tokens. I will get my voting token balance here. I have 10 because I have to show you guys how to vote. You will get 1 to start voting. When you click here, your voting process starts.
Okay.
You see there is a confirmed
So I'd
transaction
love to get
trigger.
that logo.
And see that this is
8.
already having logos and everything. We have done
11.
really, really professional work here on Solana. My developers have done really, really great job. When I confirm, my voting is under process and my voting got successful and I immediately got STC30 DAO token also minted to me. Now I have 4. I have voted 4 times. This was my fourth vote to test. I have 9 more C30 DAO tokens. See, all the logos, everything is appearing from day one. So it is really, really impressive. Okay, now after voting, what happens? You have to participate in projects. So here you will find the
Here you
proposal
go.
of the project. So see, next project is going to be here after 15 days. Yes, you guys are hearing it correct. Even before the first allocation. So we have first allocation that is in
10. I'm just going through collecting stuff here, guys.
November
8,
end, but
7.
even before the first allocation, we have got a allocation. We are talking now, and now we are in process of getting the allocation done. This allocation is going to be even before the first one. So it can be after mid of November, before first allocation, that you will receive one more allocation faster, and it will be a small one, but it will make a huge difference. This is a very crazy, really, really crazy. So this we have got. That's why I'm doing it fast, because every day voting token will be minted, and every day new users have to mint, and the old users have to finish their voting and everything. So please submit your address fast so that we can start minting the tokens and you start voting. We have 3 projects. So now 3 projects are visible here. Once the allocation will be done, you will see here the whole project details also. This part is where STC30 DAO tokens, they can be used to vote for the project, and then you claim your project tokens from here. So after your voting is finished for the project, let's say this is a proposal of a project and you got 500 C30 DAO token for the project now. So your 3.0 token from WAS have been swapped into C30 token, and your C30 DAO token you have voted for project. This is by default to 1 right now, but after the voting is finished, here you can enter your own figures. So let's say you are going to vote with $500 in one project. So you will get 500 STC30 DAO token. Here you can enter your 500 STC30 DAO token and claim the particular project token that you have received in the allocation worth $500. You will see your voted amount, and you will see total voted amount also of the community. Why are we doing this with complete transparency? Because we want to create this portfolio. This will be a big list of projects, and all unicorn projects. And then these companies, these new projects are going to come directly to us to raise money with Capital 3.0 DAO. What we have built together is such a massive
Scam?
narration which nobody has ever done before. We are calling Capital 3.0 a community powered VC. You all are VCs.
VCs?
And now we have
That
written it,
rhymes with
Capital
species.
3.0 versus traditional VCs. What these projects get, they get traction along with the capital. So what they will prefer, what unicorns are going to prefer? Us. Always Capital 3.0 DAO. And this is what I wanted to project with this website and this DApp, which proves on-chain data and which gives real-time understanding to everyone, where everything on this is there on this smart contract. Find the smart contract of Capital 3.0 DAO here. That was the reason why I was, trying to create this. Now it will be more understandable to you guys. Now you will understand it. The clarity would be more. Okay, perfect. Now I have one announcement, two two
Another
information.
announcement.
Okay.
Here we go. The good
So
news is
Solana Phantom address change, or there were some incorrect ones who have raised tickets. If you have not raised a ticket, if you have entered your Solana address incorrectly, please go ahead and raise a ticket
so
even
have we
now.
got any
We will
tips?
correct it
DODO
before
index
tomorrow.
trading platform.
And we
So
have
surely if we
started
search for that
already
somewhere,
the minting process of C30 DAO tokens
DODO
already. So if you have not, please
index
go. Second up, your
trading
rank, rewards, and clubs
platform.
are
Is it
now
really that simple?
automated
Platform.
with USDT TRC20. It is so fast withdrawal process, just like regular withdrawal. You place your withdrawal once your rank rewards, and it is 24 hours. So this everything is done. I have more things to share today, but I won't take a lot of time as I have taken. I need to
So DODO, is that, or
have
I'm
more
finding it
things for
listed
the
on the
next
exchanges here.
Friday, coming Friday and next Wednesday also. I have a lot of things. See, everything has been modified, changed. BTC, you guys see, it is $78 right now, moving towards $80.
Wow.
Now you guys understand the value of BTCC and the utility of BTCC for the first time. Till now, you guys have been just mining and mining, just believing on my narrative, just believing on my words. Now,
Well, we don't believe you, mate, at all. Sorry.
even
In fact, we feel like you're a
better
dirty,
and
disgusting
bigger
scammer.
results in future that I can see that you may not see right now, because I mean it's sometimes different. You see and simple, just like people could not
Sorry about all the
understand
scratches,
Bitcoin
guys.
when Bitcoin came.
Get down the big jobs.
But when Bitcoin became Bitcoin, everybody understood. It's like same thing. It is
We'll come right
good
in a
that you
second. I've
guys
just been
have
naughty
been
and opened a few
mining,
windows in
you
the
have
background,
BTCCs,
which
you
is
will
causing a bit of
always
havoc.
see a bright future BTCC.
Hopefully it will go away in a second.
For instance, Friday is going to be again interesting Zoom, where I will show the new version, new face of WAS. The entire dashboard is changed, front end is changed, everything is new, brand new.
Right.
All right, so back to you, Grace. I believe.
No questions. Grace is going to say, "What
Too much
amazing!
clarity.
You always amaze me." Go on.
Incredible.
Hey?
Just definitely incredible. Dodo.
The stink bird.
Oh my goodness. We're going to have to take this one apart by little. That is incredible information. Thank you, Chavez. I know there is 1,000 questions, folks.
But
as Chavez has indicated, this is just an overview to get a taste or understand, just introduction to Dodo. As we get more into it with training and all that, we'll have more opportunity for question and answer. Is that correct, Chavez?
Yes.
All righty. So please jot down your questions. I have 4 pages and about half of those are questions. So, I look forward to us being able to go ahead and do that. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our event for today. Please sure you have your questions all ready for the next time when we'll be able to go ahead and answer questions about Dodo and as far as any other issues out there. We'll see you on Friday with Chavez again, okay? And look forward to seeing your folks tomorrow. See you.
all
Bye-bye.
right, so we're gone, are we?
Thank you, Chavez. Thank
Okay,
you.
so that's good. I'm
Becky.
just all right, so we'll get rid of that meeting. And we'll turn the sound off. I would love to get that logo that's behind him if anyone's got it. Look, the way I see it, guys, is if I go to here, what I'm working on in the background, while you're getting a bit of that sound, we'll just go back to. So I did try finding this stuff here called DODO, but I don't even think, what the hell am I looking at here? This cannot be them. And why are they starting up a name of a project which already exists? So if I go through to Binance, the logos are all different. So what's that all about? I mean, are they trying to pass off another name? Because I remember when BTC came out, there was already a BTC platform out there. And it just doesn't make any sense. So now this is dodoex.io whatever, and I'm trying to find possibly a detail. What are you serious about? Boomdoggle. It's not called Boomdoggle, is it? Goodness me, don't make me type that in. Boom Doggle. I'm typing it in, Susie. Doggle. They wouldn't do that to us, would they? No. I don't know. So what I'm getting at here is there's a company already called DODO something, DODO, and they're now starting up another company called DODO. Could they not get something more original? And I've been trying to search for DODO decentralized trading program, and this is what this says this is, and that's what Sharvis is calling it. But it just doesn't make any sense. So it's just stupid on stupid. But if you want to invest in this, it's a bit weird. Just stop for a bugger. I don't get that either. So let's just go back to this. So this is what I saw he called this. And he called it DODO Index Trading Platform. All right. So what I've been working on in the background, which is a bit hard case, is I've been on ChatGPT, okay? And I've got that name there, which I'm going to put into ChatGPT. And in here, I have now all the screenshots I need to put together. I now have all the screenshots I need, and then I'll put, please put them, please put in order with an introduction. The project is called DODO Index Trading Platform. So now I'm going back to upload. So I took all these screenshots of his presentation that he was doing right now. And I have hopefully I've got more than 10 still. Oh, it just goes on and on. Hold it. We need to get rid of a few. Just need to figure out which ones I need to get rid of. 100 examples, 15 minutes instead of transactions. 6. DODO index platform. 6. I think I've got 6 in there twice. Hold it. 6. It means. Yeah, so I can get rid of 6, I think. It means 6. Gas fees. Yeah, I don't know. I just, I might have to play around with this later. But what I was trying to do is 1, 2, 3. I'm only one short, am I? Hold on. We'll just need to see something here. 1, 9. Timestamp number 8 and number 9. So I've got 8 and 9 in there. I'm going to show you something here real cool in a minute. So 9. So I've got 8. I can just get rid of 8. Hold it. We need to open up this. Right. What am I trying to do here? 8 and 9. All right. So I need to open up 9. 1 minute, please, caller. You'll just have to watch what I'm doing here. It does have a method in its madness. 8 and 9. So I need 8. Right. So what I'm doing is 9. You're going to hate this, but you'll just have to wait, everyone. I want to do something in real time because I've got a plan. 2000. And I'm going to get number 8. Put that underneath, everyone. And we've got 8. So what I've got a problem with at the moment is I can only have 10 slides in ChatGPT at the same time. So what I've done is I've combined a couple of the screenshots I've got, and I'm trying to put together trim. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put together a PDF that he had, and so I can make it into my show notes, which will make it really interesting to read exactly what he had. Okay, so now I'm going to go save, and I'm going to go save that and replace, and hopefully that will work. Looked like it worked. Update. All right, so that looked like it worked. So hopefully we'll now have one, and we'll have enough screenshots, and I'll show you what we're doing. There's a method in my madness. Let's see. Got one too many. Okay, hold it. Let's see if we can get rid of one of these. So I can get rid of number 7. We're going to do this. We are not going to give up, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what you're looking at here at the moment is trim. Oops, I need to trim, cancel that. Try and do things as fast as I can. Go get a cup of coffee if you want. Size. Once again, we'll go 1,000. We'll tag that, hold that at the bottom. And now we've got number 7, which is that one there, I think. Number 7. So he listed all the benefits, you see, and that's why I'm just quite excited by this. Right, number 7 is in there now. And now I can get that file. Get rid of number 7. I'm only allowed 10 files, you see. Now, while I'm here, I better just check to make sure I haven't got something else I can use in here. Number 6. End. No. All right, we should be right this time. Let's hope like how I got it right. All right, so now I go File. Oops, I go Clap. Oh, shit. So because I removed it, it removed it from somewhere else. Number 7. I have to save it before I delete it off my computer. This is just getting ridiculous now. Trust me, this will be good. This will be good. There's a method in my madness. Right, File, Export, Save, Save, Overwrite, Replace that. And now we can get rid of screenshot number 7. Screenshot number 7 in the bin. We can go back to ChatGPT. We can grab, upload to the computer. So what I'm asking ChatGPT to do is basically all the screenshots I've got, combine them all and make them into one PDF. Oh, it's still not there. What have I done wrong? DODO parameters, key features, DODO parameters, 10K. What one don't I want? 10K. All right, so what we're going to do, I have a plan of attack. We will go back to a meeting that I had that we recorded earlier on of Joseph Tran promoting a new Ponzi scheme, and we'll let you guys watch that, which will be a bit of a eye-opener. But it's him, and you can do this while I'm fixing up this PDF, and then we'll come back to it. There you go. Enjoy.
So that's why we focused on the results, meaning every time a trade is being closed, it automatically generates a P&L picture showing you the token you bought, the duration, how long the trades took, the percentage that you made, and the dollars that you earned. And the most important, on right corner, you see your username with your ref link in a QR code being automatically generated, meaning people can scan it, and from the moment they come into the sniper bot and are in your downline, meaning from every single transaction, you will earn lifetime commission on that. So here, the whole onboarding process is also very, very simple. But here, as a last point, if we go to the sniper bot, as these percentage are very regular trades, 30, 40, 80%. But what's interesting is those insider trades, as sometimes those traders have them as well. So if you look closely here on 10th October, my wallet was buying for 0.1 Solana jelly.
All right, so we've got it back now. So what I was trying to show you to do, I was trying to show you how clever ChatGPT is. So what I've done while Shavis was talking today is I've gone through and got all his the screenshots of all the PDF he's got. And now I'm telling ChatGPT, I now have all the screenshots I need. Please put them in order with an introduction And the project is called DODO Trading Platform. Yeah. Please also include a summary of the project at the very end. All right. So now watch this. This is how clever ChatGPT is. And with a bit of luck. So I've uploaded 10 screenshots of Chavez's meeting introducing DODO Index Trading Platform. And ChatGPT is grabbing all the screenshots, giving me an introduction of what it's offering, and we're going to read what he just said to us today as it writes it. And then
the DODO Index Trading Platform is a decentralized trading platform designed to allow users to invest in diversified portfolios, or indices, that represent various assets, such as cryptocurrencies. Through DODO, users gain exposure to these assets without needing direct ownership. The platform incorporates unique features like gas fee aggregation, stop-loss functionality, customizable timestamps, and copy trading, making it an efficient and user-friendly solution for investors. DODO prioritizes user control and transparency while offering innovative tools that enhance trading efficiency and cost-effectiveness.
Split screen of water boiling. Don't really know. But the business flow model, I mean, copying other people's trading. Is this how this is a whole economy? Is this how the world's going to go? Is that what they're saying? That people can just copy what everyone else does? There'll be one Einstein guy at the start, and you can copy everything he does and be rich too. Is that how it works?
Business model flow. Step 1. Wallet connection. Users connect their wallets to the DODO platform. A minimum balance of 0.2 ETH for gas fees and 500 USDT, ERC20, is required. Step 2. Buying an index purchase price, $500, a 1% fee, $5, goes to the DODO platform. The remaining $495 is used to buy assets within the index. Swap fee pending is SF1. Gas fee. Users pay the gas fee when purchasing an index. Step 3. Selling an index value upon sale, $600, a 0.5% fee, $3 of the index value goes to the DODO platform. Asset swap, $600 worth of assets are swapped to USDT, swap fee pending is SF2. Underlying assets in the index are updated, swap fee for UA update pending is SF3. Gas fee settlement, the gas fees from SF1, SF2, and SF3 are settled. Funds transfer. Funds are directly transferred to the user's wallet.
So how about that? So in summary, this is all going to be in the description
The
of the
DODO
video that
Index
you're
Trading
watching.
Platform is an innovative, decentralized trading solution that provides users with exposure to diversified asset indices. Its standout features, such as stop-loss, timestamping, gas fee aggregation, and copy trading, cater to various investment needs while ensuring cost efficiency and flexibility. By emphasizing user autonomy and security, DODO empowers users to manage their investments with control and transparency. DODO is set to redefine index trading within the cryptocurrency space by combining traditional portfolio strategies with cutting-edge blockchain technology.
Perfect. All right, so we've now got DODO new a scam or legitimate. All right, so now we've got our theme: a scam. So we'll be the first person to get that out, and we'll go legitimate. All right, what else can we add to that? So, introduction. So we haven't got much room here. So introduction, business, step 1, step 2, step 3. Right, so I just need to break off that window so I can see what I'm doing. That works. Right, put that over there. And then assets. Right, this is what we're doing. So step 1, business model, step 3, and then we've got, these are all bullet points, aren't they? So I don't know if I need to do those, but step 1, so if we go like that, step 1, step 2, so index trading, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So what we do here is we go here, 600, 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay, so now what we need to do is make these little wee asterisk things that you see me doing here. These are what we call making it bold, 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 and bold, and bold. And now we're down to asset swap. Hello. Oh, okay, I can't make it at the moment. That's all right. Doggy's going for a walk when he's lucky. So that there, index, no coffee this morning. I think I woke the house up with excitement when they did this. So, all right, so that's that. And then we've got, the next one is key bonuses, feature 1. And then we've got hyphen, and then we can see if this actually changes later on. Hyphen, that's what I'm planning anyway. Key features. This is real exciting, isn't it, guys? This is what you do when you're DOFO holdings. So key features. And then we've got another lot of key features. Another wee hyphen. Key features, key features. Key features. Them. That. Key features. Getting through it. Right, so key features. So how many key features have we got? We're down to 5. And 5's got 2 key features. That one there. Okay, so then key features is number 6. 1 key feature. I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible, and I'm getting messages in the chat room. I'm thinking, they're telling me not to do this now. Do it later, Danny. And I'm going, no, it's okay. I got it. I got this. I got this. Okay, key feature, timestamp. And then we should have a little wee hyphen on that one. I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to making things look pretty. And then we've got, probably ChatGPT would have done all this for us. And then we've got key features. Hold that one there. Example, key features. That, and then we'll be done. We won't have to do this again, all right? Wait, do you see the thumbnail? I mean, this is just dumb though, right? Is it just, I mean, we're all looking at this going, oh my God, really? Key features. Right, so what we're going to be finish up with here is a beautiful summary for the description for the video that you're watching right now. And now we're down to parameters. Okay, so that's cool. Parameters, and there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 2, that, 3, that, and now we're up to the summary, which I don't need the word summary bolded. All right, so now we need a thumbnail. We need to put this into Avenger Patrol. We need a thumbnail, which I think I saved. I don't think I did actually. I'll have to go back and save it. So you ready for the thumbnail? One thumbnail coming up. Dodo bird. Now I wanted the logo. So we don't have the logo. So that's going to be a bit of a problem, isn't it? So what we do need is the name of the project, which is going to come back to here, and DODO trading platform. Okay, I mean the logo, not DODO. I mean the logo is definitely not a dodo. I know, but isn't a dodo bird? Maybe a bird. No. I think you're having a chat in the chat room. All right. So what I'm branding it as a logo is well, this is what I've got so far. It's a dodo bird. And then we need a font. We need that font. We need to stop it from doing what it normally does. Bring that back to 8. And we're going to have fun with this one, though, aren't we? Right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make that 200. DODO trading platform. And maybe we can actually put that in a bit of a circle. Is that going to look stupid? DODO trading platform? Yeah, it probably does. All right, so let's put that back to normal. We could stamp it. We can put it in a bold like I normally do. We can make that 100 so it stands out a little bit. DODO trading platform, DODO index trading platform. Maybe put that down there. And we should just call it a scam straight out of the gate. DODO trading platform. And then we just need elements, scam. And there should be a nice scam button here. We've got that. Put that over there. Scam. We'll even change the color. See if we can get it all color blended. We need a place card. No, place card. Say no more. Say no more. Say scam. And look, we've got this guy down here screaming, saying, no, no. That's me. That's how I roll. Right, so I need me to be on top, front. We need that to be slightly over there. We might change this later on, but hey, let's just get it out there. And we've got Jarvis in the background with his beak. Now that's the dodo bird. Just need to move that over there so I can move Jarvis over a bit. We want to see Jarvis smoking, and we'll put him up there, make him a little bit bigger. Things you do. There we go. Jarvis, there we go. So that's the thumbnail for today's video. We'll do for now. We're going to do that. We've got 180 thumbnails that we need to turn off and download just the one. The message board's going crazy. Hopefully it's good. Oops, I've now called it the wrong file name. 1 minute, please, caller. We need to save that as a JPEG. We're saving one. Save download settings and download. Right, wait for that to load. Now, what have we got in the chat room? Tuscany. One can invest. Now, Rob, do you want to join us for a bit of banter? It would be quite good if you did. I did give out the chat room thingy before. If you want to come, if you can, you're more than welcome. But today has been copied. A bit of a strange one, to be honest. So we're going to go join T, and anyone who wants to pop up on stage, you're more than welcome. There's the invitation just for Rob, because Rob doesn't know how to scroll. And now we're going to go back to this. We're going to thumbnail it. We're going to go to downloads. There's my download index. We're going to go back to why that's loading. We're going to go back to ChatGPT and see if we can find Dodo didn't work. That's the logo that he's got there, which is poor. And also the other one that I need to do is just find some keywords. ChatGPT 2 keywords. And we'll go to the bottom of this, show more. We'll go yes. Ask ChatGPT for a few keywords for our DODO trading platform arbitrage. Is it arbitrage? This is just another level, isn't it? 500 risk management, crypto unicorn universe. Oh my god, it's got this user autonomy. That would do. Recording date for this one is 31st. Oh my god, it's the 31st already. Location was at Crypto Ponzi Scheme Avengers headquarters. Entertainment, I'm going to leave it as that. So now what we've got, with a bit of luck, the logo. I need the logo. I need the logo to shove on top, but I'll probably will get that at a later stage, and I can update the thumbnail. I can't even say that Chavis Babies looks like in front of the DODO logo. I don't get that. I didn't read that properly. Right, customization. I need to make sure subscribers can message. Anyone can message in the chat box. Thank you very much. Live chat replay saved. These things we're doing on the fly, guys. Monetization. Yes, if you want to support the channel, you can do so. I do actually try and make money out of my videos. I've made $5,000 off my YouTube channel this year, and I spend 70 or 80 hours a month doing so. So now what you can do is you can literally go to my YouTube channel here, and you'll see that we actually have a beautiful dodo bird, a distinct dodo bird, live trading. Isn't that beautiful? And now what you can do is you can go into the video, and you can obviously see me here in real time with my sound off. You can go to the live chat panel, or you can read the description that you see in here, which should be all bolded, but it's not. And you can actually read a summary. And not only that, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go edit this video. Is when I do a new video, I share it out social media. So we're currently broadcasting, I think, on about 7 different channels. So I select all that text that you see in the middle there. I go copy. I go back to the live that we were watching a second ago before I navigated out of it. Then I go to, I think I turned theatre mode off on this one. I do. And then I share it. And this is what you guys should be doing with your YouTube channels if you're not. There should be a share. Yeah, there is. There's a share button. And then I can create a post in my community area. And we can post that whole topic in there. Press enter a couple of times. And I go post. Susie's just crying. I think she likes it. So now what we can do is you can go to the Crypto Ponzi Scheme YouTube channel. And you can go to the community area. And this is, I do have a community. You can buy yourself a membership for, I think it's $1 a month or $2 a month, or you can have a Megaverse account. And now you can come in here and you can now like these videos. So you can see a lot of the other ones. So one of the other videos I must mention was Mars Honda. She complained about privacy on this video because we showed everyone where she lived, where she showed her physical house, which is a hard case. Now, I won't be doing it on this video because I've used up my allotted space. But let's say if you want to navigate through one of my normal meetings, you can see I've added timestamps in chapters. So you come down here, and in here, now you've got the timestamps on the right here. And for example, if you're looking for the part where I managed to show Ma Honda's Blasphemous Den, you can click straight onto that timestamp. And if we just sneak through it a little bit, after she kicked me out of the meeting, she tried to tell me I should be a person of God. We decided to bring up her home, but she complained to Google because of privacy, stating that I showed everyone where she lives. So if you do want her address, do let me know. But in the meantime, it was quite funny that, so this is what I did. And I blurred out, oh, have I just done that again? I think I have. Is it going to come back? No, I stuffed it up. Hold it. But, oops. So this is what I've done. Oh, boy, I'm no good at this game. I'll just try that again. I'll try it one more time just to make sure. It's not been very nice. It's not. Oh, can you go back? Oh, you can. There we go. So what I've done is I've blurred out her house. and that's been accepted by YouTube. So YouTube said, "Yep, you blocked out our house." It's her house. So if you want to know the actual number, I actually already had taken the numbers of the house off the house because they're written on the front of the house. But there's her neighbours. And then for the fun of it all, which you won't be able to see, but the thumbnail has got very colourful because I do actually really enjoy creating the thumbnails. I think it's unique to me. But you can see the thumbnail that I used here is her standing in front of her house, and I've called it the blasphemous den of Mars Honda Henderson, and 133 is the timestamp where you can see the blurry house. But yeah, we're fighting back, guys. The next video I'm doing is going to be this one, and this is going to be tomorrow morning. It's going to be in 26 hours time, and this is your life. The capitalist of futurist, he calls himself. And this is going to be quite an extensive video. So we're more than just silly YouTubers here. There's a couple of things I want to show you guys. Still listening to the Zoom recording. Someone trying to explain what is going on with trade. Oh, are they? Oh, good. We must go back to that. We will actually go back to that. But what I wanted to show you is this is my website. And on my website, I've actually posted the blog of Ryan Colony. Sounds like he's a bird operator. And you can see the thumbnail once again. You can see the video that's ready to happen tomorrow at 11. And in here, I've listed all his YouTube channels. Also links to where he was accused of for sexual harassment, was quite funny. All the scams that he's been privy to. And I've actually sent this to Ryan and suggested that he does a video reply to this blog that we will play at the end of the video tomorrow. So that's the plan of attack. I haven't done much preparation for it, but I am actually going to be going into his old video channel. So I'm just going to flip into one of those now. And you can see this one here has got 139 videos. And if you go into the video section, you can see all the scams and opportunities that he's actually, this is interesting. He's actually put some recent videos in here, has he? Because that one there looks like recent. But anyway, but you can go back and see the life of Ryan and all the opportunities that he's been promoting over the years. So we're going to not have a massive long video, but he's actually quite a legend in his own right. But when you look up 30 multi-level marketing opportunities that he's been promoting, telling you they're the best things since sliced bread, it does actually show you that this guy is on a downward spiral of truly believing the blockchain is going to be the future of the world. And then we check out where he's gone to date. He's got his clothes on more than not, but he's a man that doesn't like wearing a top. But, you know, it's just, it fascinates me, and no doubt it will fascinate you as well. So that's what the plan is. So in the next 24 hours soon, we'll have a story going on there. So that's Dodo, and that was Sharvis. So now we're going to go on to, can you put some square glasses on, Dodo? Oh my goodness, don't tempt me. You know what I'm like. Let's have a look. Glasses. Do you think we could put glasses on a dodo bird? I don't think so. But let's have a wee look just for a bit of a sneeze, eh? You can't argue with stupid dad like that. Oh, we probably can put glasses on them. Let's have a look. Let's wait for that to load. So there's our dodo. Do we really want to play around with the dodo bird? Come on, guys. He's just been silly now. How do we get this out so we can get that back? Dodo bird. What could we add to the dodo bird chat room? Glasses. Oh, I know. Bird. Is it glasses? Glasses? Bird glasses? And have ones like this. Bird glasses. Let's have a look. Graphics. How about these glasses? But you can't see both his eyes, though, so it doesn't really work, does it? Let's be go like this. No, not looking good. Bird glasses. Bird glasses. How about these ones? Window wiper ones? You guys have just been silly. Or sunglasses. We could just have some sunglasses on them, sunnies. It's not as good. It doesn't look serious. We need to somehow get him over the nose. Peanut glasses. What are peanuts? Mr. Peanut glasses. Hold up. I don't even know what they are. Mr. Peanut glasses. What the hell's peanut glasses? Peanut glasses. Like that, you mean? It's a bit odd, God. All right. I think we're happy. Do we need a peanut, though? Can we leave a peanut in here somewhere? Put him down there. I think it's going to be good. Do you think scam needs to be in red, or was it okay blending that? Monotone. Looking for... What are we doing? Looking for... don't even know what these words are. I'm literally typing them into... Oh! Oh, I see what you're saying. So you're saying we should have one of these ones. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, this needs something that fades off a little bit better than that. Photos. That's actually not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, that's it. Okay, well maybe why don't we get different color one? Just the chain doesn't look too bad. Probably if we perhaps if I had that chain in my hand. The chain's not quite the right color. And if I put that under my... So I put me on front, that would finish the chain off. Front. Do you reckon? Was that... do I have to? Dodo. Oh, maybe we put scam over the eye, but then we lose the impact of the eye, don't we? That's not going to work. But we could put scam in there. No. Okay, put that back. Maybe smaller. More realistic. Is it smaller? So we need that. Is that what we do? Mr. Sherlock Bones. And there could be other ones that look a wee bit better, but we'll just have a wee look. There's black one, no. What else we got? We got this one. No. I didn't even know how to wear it. I'm not sure if the chain should be in the inside or the outside. Probably that side. Oh, that's right. No, that's right. What I could do, because I'm a bit of a freak when it comes to this, is I copy that and I make that chain longer. Right? See what I'm doing here? And then I go like this. And then I go up like that. And that makes the chain longer. And then we can probably get away with it. I'll just see if I can make that chain about there. No one would notice. Put me at the front again. All right, we're going to leave the chain there. We're going to leave the chain there. We're going to put me to the front. And there we go. In the scam, make sure that's on the top as well. I can't believe you're making me update that. Is that good? Into that? That works. Yep. All right, we're in. Now, do we need to add anything else like smoke? Sharvis coming in. Oh, hold it. Smoke. We need smoke. We need Sharvis blowing smoke over the bird. That's what we need. Pro smoke. Don't know if we can get that working, but if we have that like that, is that going to be... We need blowing smoke, don't we? We need smoke. Blowing smoke. We need smoke rings, don't we? Blowing smoke. We'll get rid of that for now. All right, blowing smoke. Smoker. Blowing smoke. We need photo, maybe. What have we got there? Blowing smoke. What I want, something like this. But blowing smoke. So what would you call it? Smoker. The smoker. Smoker. Smoke. Yeah, what we just about blowing smoke. Smoke. Just asking ChatGPT for some ideas here. Is that one there? Or no. All right, let's see these other ones that we've got. So let's have a look. We've got this one, this one, this one. No, not those ones. Not those ones. Not those ones. That's sort of not really. We need something like, when we had one ages ago, it was quite good. It looked like it was blowing smoke. Oh, how about smoke rings? That's what we might need to search for. Smoke rings. And then we might get a few different sort. All right, let's have a look. Smoke rings. Smoke rings. No, it's not really going to do it, is it? Smoke rings. No. Smoke rings. Smoke. Smoke rings. Smoker. 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 Smoke. Smoker. Smoke. Not really happening, guys. Smoker. Smoke. Smoker. Smoke. Smoke. Cigarette smoke. Maybe try that. Cigarette smoke. Okay. Don't think the smoke rings are going to work. Smoke. Oh, what about this? What's that there? Ooh. Maybe. Maybe. Smoker. Like smoke. What's this one here like? Oh, maybe. Just thought we could get a little bit of extra smoke out of it. That might work. It's subtle enough. I don't really see it. But it is smoke over the dodo bird. It's not really working, guys. Is that one there? Is that the same one I just hit? 1 minute, please, caller. We might get something here yet. Smoke, 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 smoking. Oh, what have we got? Is it worth the effort? Probably not. Smoke. Just a little bit of smoke coming out off the screen to give it a bit more realism. Yeah, kind of. Get too fussy on these. I think we need to have a bit of smoke there because it needs to show that he's blowing smoke all over the dodo bird, which is kind of funny and really. Anyway, I think I will leave the smoke there. Made an firm decision. We probably actually I know what we need. We need smoke. I need one smoke. I know what type of smoke I need now. I need smoke going upwards. Yeah, that sort of style. And then we need to make sure that's not going to work. Smoke's not working, but just leave it like that, I reckon. Smoke over the dodo bird. Maybe a bit more. Yep. All right. Dodo trading platform. Maybe I need to make that Dodo. Wish I had the logo though. I mean, that logo isn't. I can't fix that logo, can I? And I can't seem to get that logo with him out of it. But I did do a reverse image search on that there and didn't find anything. But we'll add that later on. And then we'll have Dodo. Unless I put that down there, put him in here, and put that way down there like that. But I think it's going to distract from it all. Anyway, I'm getting too fussy. It's just a thumbnail. It's just, we've got the whole description of everything ready to rock and roll. So we're going to save that, copy the link. Oh, yeah, there he is. You think I'm spending too much time on my thumbnail, mate? Where are you? I'll just put you on stage. See how much time you can waste on this bloody YouTube stuff, mate? Ooh, I can hear a bit of a noise in the background. Your sound's not working at the moment. Hello, was it me or you? Sound effects? No, I think your sound's coming from something else. I'll just make sure it's not me. Let's see what we can do here. Mr. Mercy. I'll mute you at the moment. You have a look at your sound. Just make sure you're grabbing the sound from the right device. I know what that's like. And then we'll, yeah, because it's got a terrible noise. I'm not sure it is me. It might be. Let's have a look. Interview guests, mute. but I can't hear you, so your mic's not on. So you sit there while I get this beautiful masterpiece online. Do you reckon I need editing it? No, still can't get you. So where's your mic? Just make sure it's coming through. Because something's interfering with your mic, or I'm cutting you off somehow. So do you think the logo's okay at the moment? I can't hear you, mate. It's a pain. I can see you, but I can't hear you. Okay, come back in. Yeah, come back in. That's it. All right, let's see. It's got to probably offer me a suggestion, but I'm publishing it soon, so it's quite cool. All right, let's try that again. It could be me. There are lots of audio problems we have here, so let's see if we can get them in there again. And hopefully it should be straight in there this time. No, it's still there. What is it? Wonder if there's something else I'm doing here that's causing sound effects. I'm just going to mute other sounds. No, it's not me. I've muted myself. I'm muting you. I'm using... No, it's something, it's like a echo, but real quietly. I've got sound, but it's like there's interference on your mic. All right, we can lip read though. You were saying I'm doing a fantastic job and I'm the best YouTuber in all the world. I can pick up those words. Brilliant. He's laughing. Well, we're having a fun today because that dodo bird thing that's massive. I'll just move the order of you around to see whether that makes any difference, but I honestly cannot see. I'll just have a wee play with something clever here. Let's see if I can control. I can't control your sound at all. I can make you square though. Look at that. Oh, whatever you did, something happened then. It's back. So you've turned your mic off and on. That's no, something's you just about want to restart that computer, I reckon, using a Windows computer. You see, that's your problem. Don't start, you said, with the Windows versus PC thing. Yeah. No, I can't hear you at all. It's muffled, unfortunately. Could be me, but I actually expect it's something you haven't selected the right mic to be used. Yep, he's nodding. He reckons that's it. That's good. Right, we're going to update. Did you want me to add anything else to the bird? Do you think I've done all right? I'm changing the logo. We've got Agent E's on the stage. That's what I've got to remember. So just make sure I've got the right. We've now got a dodo bird with an eyepiece. And Shava's blown a bit of smoke over the bird. Let's see if it was a dramatic improvement. Ah, it's much better. That looks quite good. Alrighty. Oh, I've got a sore neck. So what are we going to go back to listen to? Let me know if you wave at me if you get your sound going. I'm just going to turn that off because it's actually got an echo. I'm actually curious to why your sound's not working. I'm just trying a few things, but I can't seem to fix them. I'm guessing your mic's grabbed by another device, just going by what I'm guessing here. So Dodo. So we need to add Dodo to the list of stupid scams that Chavis is promoting. That's the way I look at it. So if you went in here, I mean, you can see we've got was Boomerang 9pay, but how long of list of scams do we go? Like Boomerang's fallen over, so now we have in here Capital 3. This is what I'm saying. It just gets ridiculous. We can't even describe who was is anymore. And this was the company behind it all. Is Capital 3 the company behind it all? Is 9pay behind it all? Is Capital 3 behind it all? And now we've got Dodo Pay, not including 9pay. Dodo. So it's just getting ridiculous. And all these scams, I don't know if you caught that in your eye. This building here is where these scams are coming out of. So if we had a look at this building here, we've had pictures. Garrett Blakely has told us that they have a company in here with 400 staff producing scam after scam. And this is the building with photos of Sam Lee walking in here with his cup of coffee, with the cleaner telling him off for dripping coffee all over the floor. And to be honest, it's ridiculous because if he claimed to own the building at the time, oh, what have we got there? Have we got anything? No. Wish I could get your sound there, Captain Agent E. But yeah, so this is, we have to laugh at the fact that we can track where all these scams are coming from, and we can't stop them. Oh, here's throttle. Oh shit! I hit the wrong one. You have to try again, Rob. I clicked no instead of yes. I kicked you off the stage. Don't take it personally. It's not that we don't love you. Let's see what we've got. Try again, Rob. That will be good to see if your mic's working, and then it might encourage. If Rob's mic is working when he comes on stage, Captain Agent E, we'll get you to restart your computer, and I guarantee it will work. If it is a problem with then we'll know. Hey, this is interesting. So Joseph Tran, we froze his wallet, and 6 days ago was the last day he's had any activity on that wallet. And all the other days you can see he's very, very active. So we actually did report that the money he was getting was coming from Trade Technologies. As you can see, I've logged in here. And they actually did. I won't cut you off this time, Rob. Promise. All right, Rob. We got you this time. You're in the guest room. How come you're in the guest room? Put you on the stage. I'll block you guys on top of each other. Rob, how you doing, mate? Oh, hold up. I've had to mute. I'm just going to actually... You're there, aren't you, Rob? So it does seem like your sound is no good, at least, because Rob's is clear.
Is it?
But, yeah, yours is all right. So restart
because
your
I got
computer.
a sexy voice, mate.
Well, you've got, we're training people here. So we've got that noise. Can you restart your computer and come back in, mate? Just to be a pain? Yep. All right. And then we'll see if that fixes the problem.
I can hear him loud and clear.
You can hear him loud and clear?
He's just doing his Martian impression.
You're not helping, Rob. Just sometimes you're just not helping. You know what I'm saying?
Look at those pearly whites, Elitas. What toothpaste do you use, mate? I need
Elitas,
that.
you've got his name right. Elitas. Is that right? If I get it right? Elitas. Is that how you... No, because can't get his name right. He's like my brother from another lover, but I can never
Bloody
remember
hope
his
so.
name.
Otherwise, I'm making a fool of myself. But never
Yeah,
mind.
so we
Would
managed
be
to
the first
shut
time,
down...
would it, Danny?
No, we managed to shut down Joseph Tran's wallet, though. There we go. He's gone now. So is that sound. But hopefully he'll come back in a second.
Poor Jojo.
Oh.
Poor Jojo.
Yeah. So did you see the lovely thumbnail I've got for the meeting today?
I watched you pissing around on that for ages. Yes, I did, Danny.
What are you trying to say? Isn't that beautiful? Look at it. Dodo bird with smoke being blown over with Shavis. It's looks like
So,
Sodom and
was there an announcement this morning?
Was there what?
Was there an announcement this morning?
About what? No, he just went straight into showing, because don't forget we've got 9pay and pre-sales and all this sort of carry on. There was a few things he said. There's a couple of updates, but nothing other than nothing that was I didn't get anything anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, and we know you never miss anything, Danny.
Well, it's true. I haven't missed anything since last time. What did I miss?
Exactly.
Yeah. So I'm quite pleased by that, because we've actually managed to get his whole transcript online, flashed up by ChatGPT. And it's just going to, be beautiful. I'm even getting a bit carried away with the things I can do now. It's tidying it up even a wee bit more, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to get too carried away. Step one. So we didn't really get anything from it, unfortunately. That was the truth of the matter. I didn't get anything from it. Did anyone else get anything from it? Because if we do, speak now, ever hold your peace, you know what I'm saying? Where'd you go? You still there? Oh, yeah. What are you doing, Rob? Don't leave me here by myself. I get lonely.
I'm talking to my daughter.
Oh, right. Hello, daughter. Love your speech. Hey, I'd love to see a photo of that guy that with the long hair that had that you went there with when you went to speak. You described him so amazingly. I want to actually see what he actually looks like after all that.
I'm going to have to see if I can actually find that. I think the link may have expired, but I'll go and have a look.
Yeah, so Rob's daughter went to receive an award in Auckland, which is another city, and the guy that introduced her was like really unusual, sort of like super cool, but really unusual. Like he was bald and he had long hair down to his waist. Work that out. Rob's got a new thing to do, to work on. And I've gone and made Captain E restart his computer. Isn't that mean? Oh, look at that. There you go. So the whole DODO business plan is right there in front of you, kids. So the whole presentation that Shavis had, I screen share. Oh, it all changed now. I managed to get it beautiful. So you can go read all about it. And it's called DODO Index Trading Platform, Scam or Legit, reviewed by the Crypto Ponzi Scheme Avenger. And tick that button up there, which would be really cool. And if you like to, remember there's always that lovely word at the end where you, once if you're watching this on the rerun, there's a thanks button. You can give us money. It would just be fantastic. I like money.
Oh, don't encourage him, people. Don't encourage him.
It's brilliant. Hey, and
don't encourage him. Have a look at his eyes. You can tell he's had too many free coffees, can't you?
That's good. Thanks, Rob. Always can rely on Rob for support. It's just fantastic.
I know.
Oh, here we go. We made him restart his computer. Let's hope. Oh, it's still there. And I made you restart your computer. What the hell is it, man? Are you sure you got it plugged in? Oh, what a pain. After all that, you know what? If somebody told me to restart my computer, mate, I would have told them to F off. But yeah, so there must be something going on. So what is it?
Has he gone to the settings?
Well, you'd be better off playing around on this one than me, but is there settings when you go into this room?
Yeah. If you go to your own image down the lower left, as he will see, there's a cog there, and you can select where your audio comes from, and maybe it's coming from the wrong one.
He's doing it now. You can hear it cracking. Yeah. Hey, so Joseph Tran, mate, do you know he's back into promotion? No, you put it back. He's only got one mic. Where have you got your mic plugged into? It sounds like you got it plugged into the power. Yeah.
I can tell you your isn't flash either.
Oh, why didn't you tell me that earlier on? Oh,
well, because
No,
hold on.
I'm coming from PA.
Hold on.
Okay, all right.
It is coming. Your audio is coming from the right place, but whenever he talks, you can't hear him very well. Whenever he talks, it interferes with your sound.
Oh, so it's cool. I'm going to actually turn my sound off and on again, and that's like me restarting my audio. So you keep talking, Rob. You're in charge for a bit.